What is going on, Shib Army? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another live stream for you guys, and we're going to talk about Shiba Inu like we always do. So let's go ahead and welcome everybody to the chat. Let's give it a second so we get people coming in. Who do we got? Who do we got? Who do we got? Let's see. All right. Slowly but surely, I can see people popping in. We got not Elon Musk. Yo, GP, what's going on? Bassett, howdy from Texas. Howdy to the Texas family. Gabriel, how are you doing? Yazad Irani, he says first, almost first. Top 5, so you know you're still there. Eddie E, what's going on, my friend? Impress Ebony, hey Pop, how are you doing? How are you doing? Tommy Gatson, hey my man. The chat is always so lively, and that's why I love doing these streams, man. Let's go, says Charles. Glenn, doing good, man. How are you? Ship to Pluto. Absolutely, man. I am right there with you. I am so excited. Every day, the excitement only persists. Never am I ever not excited about Shiba Inu. Ready for another wild weekend? Mark Britland said. Man, I am ready. I am ready. Tomorrow's a big day for us, man. Tomorrow's a big day. The audit report is supposed to get published, and that's gonna be big. That's gonna be big, Mark. Not Elon Musk, just stake 260 million. My man, congratulations. That is awesome. Rio Dominicans team XRDT says, let's go. One of the elite members. How are you doing? How are you doing? What's up? What's up? What's up? All right, guys. We got quite a few people. So remember, guys, if you haven't already, please smash that like button. We have 202 of you already in the live stream. So let's get it out to more people, because the more people that build awareness around SHIB token, the bigger our army is, the more likely we are going to see better and better days to come. Chris, I'm doing good, man. I'm doing good, Chris. 500 mil now, man. Congratulations. People are building out their positions. Big shout out to the Shiba Inu army, man. We got Basil Abbas. My condolences for your loss, brother. My man Basil, thank you so much. It was honestly pretty devastating. It really caught me off guard. It's somebody, again, one of those situations where I didn't talk to my friend for quite some time. But as soon as I hear about it, it really just caught me off guard. It's one of those things that you're just not prepared for. So, anytime a sudden loss of any life, really, it's a tragedy. So thank you so much for your kind words, Basil. And again, that's just the circle of life, right? We gotta pay our condolences, pay our respects, and then just hopefully move on from there. It's never easy, never ever easy. So thank you so much for your kind words, man. But yeah, guys, when it comes to Shiba Inu, my goodness, today, the overall market is looking pretty decent. We're seeing a nice, tiny rebound, nothing too exciting. But again, looks like decently in the green. Looks like now on the 7-day chart, we're looking a little bit more green, which is actually very good. But the bullish flags are still not here. We know Dogecoin is outperforming the others after Elon sent out a tweet earlier, which it didn't affect Shiba Inu because it was very directed to Dogecoin specifically. He talked about the transaction fees and things of that nature. So let's go ahead and find that tweet quick and show you guys what I'm talking about. Because we know that Elon definitely is a market mover. He can move that market pretty substantially. So let's go ahead and send a tweet out, let everyone know that we're live. Let's see here. So we are going to look at the tweet from Elon. And again, I think slowly but surely, the more traction that any quote-unquote meme coin gets, of course, that's something that is positive for things like Shiba Inu in addition, especially when it comes to Dogecoin, because anyone that looks up Dogecoin, they'll come across the Dogecoin killer, they'll come across Shiba Inu and things alike. So if you guys didn't see earlier today, maybe it was Matt Wallace who tweeted out, and I think Elon might have retweeted thereafter. So let's go up here to tweets and replies. Here it is. Matt Wallace sent out a tweet saying, reminder that the Dogecoin update is coming soon. It will position Doge perfectly to become one of the most used currencies in the world. Elon responded to this message earlier today, which of course had, if you looked at the Dogecoin price action, real quick here, guys. I almost put in Coinbase. Too excited about Coinbase. We got 300 people in the chat. Let's go, family. Sorry, Jeff. Wait, what's going on? Did I miss something? Let's scroll up. Jeff, let's burn 0 to the upper atmosphere. Glenn, no, thank you so much for your kind words, by the way. Really appreciate you guys. My prayers with everybody. Anybody that's lost a loved one this year, last year from the pandemic, for other reasons. Much love. We got BD in the house. But I guess I missed what Jeff said. But regardless, just showing you guys what happened earlier when it came to Dogecoin. So again, I think it was almost 11 hours ago. You guys see the pump that happened. So around, where was it? If we look at Twitter, so around 19 hours ago. So almost the full 24 hours ago. But you guys could see what happened. The price pumped as soon as the tweets came out regarding all the updates with Dogecoin. So Matt Wall sent out the tweet saying, reminder update that the big Dogecoin update is coming soon. And then Elon responded to that saying, Bitcoin and Ethereum are pursuing a multi-layer transaction system, but base layer transaction rate is slow and transaction cost is high. So he said that there is no merit, in my opinion, to Doge maximizing the base layer transaction rate and minimizing the transaction cost with exchanges, acting as a de facto secondary layer. So as soon as that tweet came out, we saw this thing start really flying, which is, again, in my opinion, nothing bad. I'm an investor of Dogecoin, so when I see a token like this succeed, especially because it's kind of very closely tied to Shiba Inu, it makes me happy. Very happy for the Doge community. But for us, it didn't really affect price because it was very targeted specifically to that single token. Now, again, the overall market, slightly green. We're seeing new. So anytime you guys see this, when it comes to the market cycle, in my opinion, what happens is we see basically the cycles. So we see sell-offs. Inevitably, a sell-off will always come and happen. And then after the sell-off, we see people get back in, right? Or new people who are looking to, are waiting on the sideline, waiting for an entry point. And everyone sets their own entry points, right? And that's what I love about the crypto market. A lot of people are becoming very well seasoned investors. So more and more individuals are coming out and identifying entry points for Shiba Inu and other cryptocurrencies. And once they find those entry points, they get in. So right now for Shib, it looked like we found a decent level of support, not super strong, but decent level of support right around 791. So you guys know on the stream yesterday when we were live, I was telling you all, for me, the entry point was 771 Satoshi units. That's where I wanted to get in. Because if we look at the 7-day chart quickly, we saw it pull all the way back to 773 yesterday. So, and actually, if we look at trading view, Shiba Inu, trading view, let's see, Shib USDT chart, here we go. You guys can see, not the 1 year, we want to look at the 5-day. So you guys can see we kind of bounced off of that 771 right at that point. So I told you guys, if we see it pull back down, which we never did, and sometimes we won't, sometimes we will never pull back down to lower support lines, which is a-okay. But now it looks like we're reestablished and have found potentially a better entry point. So again, if we look back, that was yesterday. Today, the 1-day chart, right around here is the intraday low. So 794 Satoshi units, which we're actually approaching right now. So is it time to maybe increase our position size in Shib? 100%. It might be time to do so, guys. And guess what? When they panic, we pounce. So you guys know what I might do on the stream today. We might up our position size and buy some Shib. Looks like today might be the day, guys. Today might be the day. All right, and what do we got? Ross Reynolds dropping the $5 super chat. Thank you so much for your support, my friend. He says, what do you think of Elon coin? I bought $20 worth. I have no idea, Ross. I'm so focused on Shiba Inu, man, and I know a lot of people have been asking me to look into different crypto projects like Grapefruit coin and this coin and that coin. But honestly, Ross, right now for me, with all the upcoming catalysts, man, for Shiba Inu, that's all I'm putting my money in. I'm literally all in on this single cryptocurrency. I'm not expanding my position in anything else for the time being. I know that kind of goes against my investing philosophy of diversification, which 100%, remember guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you guys to do what I do, but I'm trying to put you guys on the plays that I'm in. And I just don't see any other crypto having as much catalysts as Shiba Inu. Jason Witt says, let's go, man. Loving the energy today. Friday night, man. Nothing like a Friday night talking to other investors, talking to other members of the Shib Army community. Gotta love it, man. Rio Dominican says, let's bounce. Hey, man, let us bounce. So we're approaching an entry point for me. So let's get prepared to maybe buy some Shiba Inu tonight. So I'm gonna get some. I'm gonna go ahead and probably establish a position in Ethereum so I can use the swap. I'm gonna buy directly from Shiba Swap. Let's go ahead and make sure we have that all prepared. We're gonna do some swapping, but let me go ahead and connect. My wallet's already connected, so let me just increase my position size on that, and we'll go ahead and get started. We got Hauser Digger dropping the $6 super chat. Thank you so much, Hauser, for your support, my friend. Really do appreciate it, my man. Big shout out to Pop, Shiba Army Strong and Holding, Fabio, my man. Travis Piercy, my man. I stake 160 mil SHIB and 60 bone. Let's go, Travis. Let's go, my friend. Loving it, man. I love how much people are utilizing the swap. I'm so happy with the result that we're seeing. Look how much is currently locked in liquidity. 1.48 billion, guys. About 48 hours after the release. That's insanity. Imagine in a week, in a month, in 2 months, how many people are going to be utilizing the swap. The numbers is going better and better. Friday night just got paid. Shiba hunting. Let's go, Charles. We're going hunting. Love it, man. And someone said something about WEBULL. Where was that? Let me see. Not Elon Musk says, I got a question. When you stake your SHIB, do you receive Bone, SHIB, and Ethereum, or just one of them randomly? Not Elon Musk, you receive the 3 of them. If you're staking, so if you're burying your SHIB, you will get one. You'll get an equal amount of each of the 3. Hopefully that answers your question, man. Michael Perez says, I'm trying to open an account on WEBULL, but it's still pending for a few days. Sometimes the verification process, Michael, might take a little bit of time with WEBULL, but don't get me wrong. Hopefully, sooner rather than later, it's going to end up working, and you're going to be able to go ahead and create your account. So sometimes the verification process does take a little longer than usual for some and not others. But again, man, hopefully soon you're going to be getting your account to open. And might as well just quickly segue to that. You guys know, I know some people don't like when I talk about it too much, so I'm going to talk about it very briefly. You guys know, so Michael Perez mentioned he wants to get his WEBULL account going. And honestly, right now is the best time, because you guys know, right now there's some talks about Shiba Inu listing, or what WEBULL listing Shiba Inu on their brokerage account. So what better time to deposit $5 into your account when you could use the link in the description below and get up to $2,300, 2 free stocks, just like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and post that in the description here, and it's gonna be also in the chat as a pinned message. So make sure you click the link and get your free stocks, guys. 1 in 50 of you will get Google stock, which is a $2,000 stock. So WEBULL is super generous, and in my opinion, one of the best brokerages to buy stocks and even cryptocurrencies if you're looking for a more centralized way to do so. Now, let's go ahead and talk about all the things that we are looking forward to when it comes to Shiba Inu. Excuse me, that was my keyboard there. Big things, man. Big things. I know a few of you guys are asking a lot of questions. I will stake 40 million more, not Elon Musk. Let's go. Let's go. Shib going to the moon. AJ, man, I love your guys' energy. People are excited tonight. And I do have slow mode activated, by the way, for the chat, just because of some of the spammers that come in and just spam, or the bots. So we'll have the slow mode activated for a 15-second delay. So if you guys do notice those, just make sure you guys quickly, mute them, do what you got to do. Panic equals pounce. 100%. 100%. Jason, very well said. So we're waiting for the entry point. Patience is key right now. But looks like we jumped off the 796 3 times today, guys. 1, 2, 3. And this is all in the last, not even that long. 796 Satoshi units. Very, very strong support. So I'm loving it, man. Really loving it. Can you give a shout out to Rashi and Aisha from Philly? Rashi, absolutely. big shout out to Rashi and Aisha from Philadelphia. Philly. Love me some Philly. So Imperial Beats in the chat. My man. Dropping the dog emojis. Much love. Yazad, 515 million SHIB staked. Let's go. Adrian Holder, how are you doing, my brother? Welcome to the chat, man. Raymond, thanks for the live. Hashtag SHIBARMY. Raymond, absolutely, my brother. You don't understand how much I enjoy these, man. To me, this is more fun than video games. And I'm a gamer, so don't get me wrong. Big Ak says salams, akhi. Wa alaikum assalam, man. How are you doing? Hope you're doing well, my friend. We're looking for entry points, guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy some Ethereum quick so I can do some swapping directly on the swap, because it looks like today might be the day to at least increase our position size slightly, because slowly but surely, you guys know I'm trying to build out this position as much as possible. But right now for me, it's looking like we're seeing some decent entry points. Let's go ahead and buy some Ethereum and put some directly on the, or should I buy Bone? What do you guys think right now in the chat? What do you guys want me to do? Do you guys think I should buy more Bone, or should I buy more SHIB? Those are the two that I'm kind of contemplating between. Tony Isa, dropping the super chat. Thank you so much, Tony, man. And but also, by the way, Tony, I've seen all the things that you've been sending on Twitter, and hopefully you're getting a lot of those questions answered. But my man, Tony, thank you for the $25 super chat and all your support, man. Really do appreciate it. He says, hey, my brother, let's pounce. I'm here to rock with you all the way, and your jersey is coming soon. Love my Shiba army. Together we shall rise. Man, thank you so much, Tony. You did ask me for my jersey size, so hey, man, I'm thinking about making some kind of P.O. box, because right now, by the way, side note, actually currently working on a big project for an office. So far we got a couple things going. We also got, I'm getting a new chair, gonna get some things for the background. It's gonna be nice, folks. It's gonna be nice. Really excited for some of the things that we have planned, because man, the more I'm really gonna start making this such a very dedicated channel for SHIB, for the SHIB army and things like that. And I know, I'm kind of going against my philosophy of that diversification. So for those of you who were on earlier, you guys know I talk, especially from earlier streams, and if you've been rocking with me since the first day I made stock videos, I always talk about diversification of your portfolio. So again, not financial advice, but for me right now, it only makes sense to buy so much SHIB because of all the things that are coming for it. Brian Edwards dropping the $50 super chat. Coming in hot, man. Brian, your support has been amazing, man. I really do appreciate it, Brian. He says, I hate to hear about the tragic loss of your friend, bro. Thoughts, prayer, and positive intentions directed towards you and his family. Man, Brian, thank you so much for your kind words. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. Appreciate your love and support, man. And it was really a tragedy. It was honestly such a shock, and that's the worst thing. They say one death is a tragedy and 1,000 deaths is a statistic. And at first when I heard that saying, when I was much younger, I was like, what's that supposed to mean? But honestly, once you kind of wrap your head around it, it's so true. You get affected so much. You get such a heavy heart when anybody dies in this life, but when it's one person that you actually grew up with that is your age, in his 20s, the man was young, and then just like that, now he's gone. I call this father, and just seeing him in that state, and that's one other thing is, as a parent, for me, I'm not a parent yet, but as a parent, you would never anticipate in this life that you could lose a child before, your own life comes to an end, which it's painful. It's painful. So Brian, thank you so much for your kind words, man. For anybody that's currently dealing with any type of loss or mourning, just know, guys, that my deepest condolences for you and the SHIB army. That's why I love you guys, man. We're always together, holding each other up, making sure that we're always positive, and that's the reality of it. Is this the circle of life? 100% a circle of life. So Brian, thank you for your kind words, man, and everybody else. Overwhelming what you guys have been saying on the everything that you guys have been saying on Twitter and all the other spaces. So really appreciate everything else, guys. So thank you. Bryant, thank you for your support, brother. Raymond, much respect to you as well. Wilmer Montano, he says, guys, my account was hacked. I lost 1 billion SHIBs plus. There are hackers here in the chat all the time. Be very careful. I will work hard to get there. I'm a believer. Prayers for your friends and family. Wilmer, man, I'm so sorry to hear that. Guys, we need to address this. because I feel like a lot of people are falling for these scams, man. So real quick, I need to address this. We can't go on with the stream any longer before I do so. I'm gonna make a dedicated video, by the way, and I want you guys to share, like it, make sure we get it out there to every single person out on the internet. Every single person needs to watch these kind of videos that are warning from these scammers. So right here, my latest video from 6 hours ago, right? I'll go ahead and pause and quickly go in. As you guys can see, a lot of these that you see extremely point by point, well, like look how well they start conversation. Look how attractive their words are. All of these are scams, guys. Every single one of these very big paragraphs with 84 likes. They have oftentimes multiple replies. The past month I've earned 70,000 weekly, 13,000. Scam. Make sure you guys do what you can to get these folks out of the chat. I would buy Shib immediately. So that's not a scam. So when you see people just commenting on the video, that is not a scam. But look at the response. It says admin, Europop, WhatsApp, send me a WhatsApp message. Here's my number. That's not me, guys. Please do not fall for these scams. For anybody that is in here right now, please don't ever fall into the scam, which is these people who pretend to be me. If you see this gray highlighted name, Europop, that's me. Just Europop. I'll never ask you to send me a message on WhatsApp. I'll never ask you to pay me money for any reason. Absolutely not. That's not what it's about. So please be careful. Don't let these scammers get to you. And whenever you can, report them. I hide them from the channel so they can't come back, but they keep making new accounts. Look at this. I invested back in Tesla in 2013. Look at this. Big scam. Big scam. Big scam. And if you click read more, they're going to say, send me a WhatsApp number. You got to get rid of them. And I can't keep up. I cannot keep up, guys. Trust me. If I did this for 40 hours a week, full time, I still wouldn't be able to keep up with these spammers. Look at this. 5 replies. Okay, this looks actually legitimate. Again, pinned by Europop. Fake. So please be careful, guys. That's what I want to do. I need to address this. And don't fall for scams. Please do not. Keyboard farted, says Train. Yeah, it did. I slid it up and it went, doot. But anywho, the reason I address this is everybody, I don't want anyone from my channel and the Shib Army to ever lose a single penny to a scammer. Don't let it happen, folks. Please don't let it happen. All right. So, where were we? I was asking you guys, what do you guys think tonight? Do we buy Bone or do we buy Shib? What do you guys all think? Bone is at an attractive price right now. If we look at the swap, Bone is at $5.42. My current cost average for Bone, I think, was around 12. So what do you guys think right now in the chat? You guys decide and we'll make it happen. And Brandon Dolan dropping the $5 super chat. Thank you so much, Brandon, for your support, my man. You are a rock star. Everybody else that's in the chat right now, please smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's get this party started, man. Bone. Someone said leash, Shib, Bone. Why not both? Mr. Junior dropping the knowledge, man. He says, why not buy both? Why not? Exactly. Let's go ahead and divide it up. So let's go ahead and buy some Bone and some Shib. I think I like that the most. I didn't know that. Will do. GP, thank you. Yes, make sure you get those. 50-50, my dude. Bone and Shib. Perfect. Is Hypnophobic says 50-50. Welcome, Is Hypnophobic, by the way, to the chat. welcome. Bone, Shib. All right, guys. We're gonna buy a little bit of both. We're gonna buy some of both. Dollar cost averaging in, right? You guys know I've been trying to build out that position. So let's go ahead. Let me go ahead and buy some Ethereum and put it into my wallet. And let's get this party started. Let's pounce, man. That's what it's all about. JHD exclusive dropping the $5 super chat. Thank you for your support. And he says, hey, Pop, I'm with you. Most of my portfolio has been Shib. I would advise anyone to pack them bags ASAP. Pounce. I would say more Bone than Shib. My man, appreciate your support, my friend. And truly, I'm right there with you. I am looking to, again, diversify within the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Tomorrow, a big anti-FUD article is coming out. Saturday. It's anticipated, I should say. No definitives, but it's anticipated that a big anti-FUD article is coming out. And in addition to that, we're going to hopefully see also the CertiK report is set to be released tomorrow, the audit report. So then again, a lot of the FUD is going to be silenced once and for all, once we have the official notice from the CertiK team. All right, let's go ahead and buy some Ethereum. Buy Ethereum. Alright, we're gonna do a few $100 in each. Let's go ahead and buy. JT Knight dropping the $10 super chat. Thank you so much for your support, JT Knight, man. Much love, my brother. I do appreciate you so much. So thank you, JT. Let's see, go ahead and buy now. Let's see, actually, let's go ahead and do. Here we go. Preview buy. Buy now. So I'm buying on Coinbase right now, just so you guys know what I'm doing. And I'm going to keep you guys up to date, move by move. And then I'm going to be actually buying on the swap today. For the first time, I'm going to be buying tokens directly from the swap. And I've swapped between, SHIB token to Bone, because I didn't want to just increase my position size. But today we're going to be buying both SHIB and Bone directly from the swap for the first time. So let's go ahead and transfer. Send. We're going to put it to our crypto wallet address. Give me 1 second. We got 720 people in the chat right now. Friday nights are always the best. Any word on Coinbase, bro, says Raymond. It's patience, man. Raymond, I'm anticipating next week based off what we've seen previously. Next week seems like the appropriate timeline because of previous delistings and relistings. We usually see it takes about 21 to 25 days. We got delisted on the 16th of June. So again, Monday next week, Tuesday, probably by midweek at the very latest, I think we're going to see it get relisted. M. Anderson dropping the $10 super chat. Thank you so much for your support. Would Satoshi honor the community request if they accumulate enough bone to have a burn put in place? M. Anderson, we don't need a burn, my friend. Now that the swap is out, we are seeing people utilizing the swap to the extent that we are looking for. So remember, when people are staking their SHIB, when people are staking, so burying or putting it into the liquidity pool, what we're doing is we're really, literally removing the tokens out of circulation and locking them. So in essence, we are already burning, man. Every single day, day by day, we're burning tokens because for 6 months, 67% of rewarded tokens are going to be locked out of circulation. So I hope that answers your question. But again, I'm pretty sure if we wanted to do a community burn, it's up to us and we can. But it'd be very hard to coordinate such a thing. JT Knight with the $5 super chat. Thank you so much, man. He says, hey, man, first off, sorry about your friend. My condolences. JT Knight, man, it's all love, bro. Really, the support you guys have shown me, really, I'm just thinking about their family the most. I, called the father, talked to some of the siblings, and just some of my community members because they're the ones who are truly affected. For me, it's a friend, but he's also a brother. He's an older brother, he's a younger brother, and he's a son. So that's the most difficult. But really, thank you so much for your kind words. The deepest condolences to him and his family. It was a tragedy. It was really a tragedy, man. Any loss of life, always, especially when it's sudden and unexpected, really, those are the worst, man. Toughest. So thank you, JT Knight, and everybody else that has been just sending your condolences. I really appreciate it, guys. So much love to the SHIB army. Appreciate you guys. Do not disrespect, but everyone Shiba Inu is definitely listed on WEBULL. It should be breaking news on this channel. I don't spread lies. WEBULL. Wait. Citra. I don't think it's listed yet, though. WEBULL Shiba Inu listing. I could check on my brokerage app, but I don't think so. I don't think it's listed quite yet. All the petitions are out. I'll double check here in a second, but George Crozier, $5 super chat. Thank you so much for your support. And what's George say? Lost my dad last year. Hang in there. George, man. So sorry, my brother. So sorry, man. That's tough. That's tough, man. That's tough. Really sorry for your loss. And, I hope you and your family are doing well. Man, so sorry, my brother. So sorry. And definitely hanging in there. With your positivity, with always, spreading the love, man, the orc cloud, man. Trust me, George, you're someone I remember every single day. And all the SHIB army, you guys are too. But George, especially with your orc cloud, man, trust me, man. We're going to get through this. It's always, we're tested in this life, right? That's what it is, the circle of life. But tragedies are tough. Thank you for your kind words, though. And M. Anderson says, thank you for all your hard work. Keep up the hard work. You keep You keep motivated. Man, I am so motivated. M. Anderson, big plans. I'm so excited for you guys to see this office. So we're slowly but surely building it. I'm hoping maybe by the next week, tomorrow, we're going to go buy hopefully some new things for it. But I'm going to be moving into one of the bedrooms, and it's going to be completely different. Different background, different everything else. So thanks, M. Anderson, for your support. Nikhil Marani, always dropping the super chats. Allah bless the souls with peace. Ameen. Amen to that, my brother. Thank you so much for your kind words. So let's go ahead. What we're going to do is, you guys know we're trying to buy we're going to buy Bone today, and we're going to buy some Shib. Of course, man. It's the least that we could do. Yo, he wasn't playing WEBULL. Wait. What do you mean WEBULL? What do you guys mean by WEBULL? Why don't I know this? I'm so confused. WEBULL Shiba Inu listing. This should be like on more headlines though. Did WEBULL list Shiba Inu? I have the app. Why am I not checking the app directly? Hold up. Hold on. Hold up. He said he wasn't kidding. I literally messaged one of the marketing team members that I was talking to yesterday about I'm asking them for an update. I said, hey guys, what's going on with the WEBULL listing? You know, we discussed it. Shib. What? There's no way. Shib USD? What? You guys are, I hope you guys aren't kidding, man. That would be insane. Insane. Shib. Shib USD. So that's the chart. The chart is available, is the name. So Shib USD, they have a chart available right now. This cryptocurrency is not tradable on WEBULL. But it looks like they're adding the chart at least. That's pretty big. It's up there, Pop. It's just not tradable for me. Yeah. Thank you so Imperial Beats for the $5 super chat. I do see it here. But hold up. Let me think. I didn't try to trade. That is insanity. Does that mean? Hold up. Oh my goodness, man. Add it to my watch list. News. What is open banking? I'll make it tradable. Wow. Can't buy it here, but to clarify, is this Shiba Inu or something else? I guess all the crypto listed on WEBULL. Just noticing that. Hold up, this is kind of big, guys. You guys know how big of a Shiba Inu fan, or not Shiba Inu fan, but WEBULL, you know, being one of their affiliates. Like, I really love WEBULL. So I need to do more research about this. But right now it looks like they have the chart available, some news and that kind of thing. But I want to know if this means, like, sometimes they might list something. So Bitfinex, sometimes they list it first as something that you can only view the chart for, and then in a little bit after that, they'll go ahead and list Shib. I wonder, I wonder if they end up listing it, guys. So know that I've been talking to some of the developers and some of the higher ups of you of the WEBULL brokerage, and they told me that they're having some meetings. They need to discuss it first. But if that happens and we get listed on WEBULL, do you guys know how many people have been utilizing WEBULL right now? Total WEBULL users. You guys are gonna be surprised, man. In October 2020, over 11 million registered users, and then 750 daily active users on the WEBULL brokerage account. So understand that this thing is on fire. It's literally on fire. Man, if we get listed on WEBULL, that's going to be huge. That's going to be huge. It's like not maybe Robinhood huge, but that's going to be huge. Look how long it took them. They just posted Doge on 420. Years after Doge became a tradable asset, they've listed it. But now Shiba Inu, if they listed this early, whew. And we're approaching that buy point for us, guys, for Shib. But let's see, we got a few super chats that we got to acknowledge. Stephen Blair, thank you for your support, my friend, dropping the $5 super chat. He says, hey, Ahmed, do you think people swapping for leash bone is holding Shib from going up? Thanks for your continued truthful content. Stephen, absolutely 110%. What you said is 100% accurate. People right now are trying to diversify their assets, not necessarily just in leash, but bone specifically, because of its attractive price and the fact that it's a governance token, something that's new to the ecosystem. A lot of people are shifting their money and their investments from Shib token to some of the others, especially on the swap now that it's so accessible and easy to use. They're looking to stake the other assets as well. So 100%, man, what you said there, I think is very, very accurate. Vibi Vargas dropping the $10 super chat. Thank you for your support. He said, I lost my dad and grandma at the beginning of this year. I just try to make them proud every day. Let's freaking go, Shiba family. Vibi Vargas, deepest condolences, my brother. And I really hope that you make them proud, through your investment journey, through, giving back, anything that you can do for them. Just understand, something that I truly believe in is the fact that anybody that passes in this life, the one thing that we can always do to make them proud is any type of charity. If it's even giving a smile to someone else, or again, paying a charity on behalf of your father or your grandmother, that's the one thing that we can continue to do. So my man, really, my deepest condolences, and I hope that you just keep patient, especially losing not one but two family members. That's difficult. So really, man, thank you for your support for this channel and for me, and really, my deepest condolences to you and your family. We also have Adam Atkinson. I don't know why, guys, the headset makes my hair itchy sometimes. Maybe I just need new hair or something. Adam Atkinson, the $10 super chat. Thank you for your support. He says, how's it going? I staked 170 million by burying. Now I see Shib in my Coinbase wallet. Am I good to go? Adam Atkinson, you are good to go, my friend. Just wait about a week after you buried. You can be hopefully pretty happy with the returns that you're going to see. So just take some patience. But again, it takes they're telling us 7 days or so before we start seeing some of those rewards begin to accumulate. So Adam, congratulations, man. You're well on your way. Well on your way, my friend. Oh, we missed it. We missed a little dip. Shucks. Went below or the point where we wanted to get in, but oh well. Let's go ahead and put some money into the crypto wallet. Put up Coinbase wallet, receive Ethereum. Gotta click here. Go back on Coinbase. All the steps. Okay. There we go. Send. Ethereum wallet. Ethereum. Maximum. Continue. Almost there, guys. Almost there. Pasting my wallet address real quick. Preview send. Send now. Aha. Okay. I think we're done. We're ready. We're ready to hopefully buy some Shib, folks. Let's go, Shib Army. What's up with contracts? Jasper, what do you mean by that, man? WEBULL listing Shiba now, but not tradable. Maybe soon. Cambodia, absolutely. Absolutely. Could very well be. I'm just waiting. I've been very patient. I asked some of my contacts with WEBULL. As their affiliate, they really, the thing I love about WEBULL is they're very kind to us as their affiliates. So, all these other financial channels, we have all the others who are in the crypto space and other spaces alike. They truly, truly do listen to what we have to say. And I told them, you guys need to pay attention to Shiba Inu. As a cryptocurrency, as a crypto asset, it could really help grow your brokerage, A, and B, there's a lot of other benefits to introducing more cryptocurrencies to them. So today WEBULL actually added, I got an email, if you guys didn't see, WEBULL added, which crypto was it? Now offering more cryptocurrencies. Cardano. Cardano was added to WEBULL today officially, where you can start trading and selling with just $1 on that one. So again, people are saying, and based off what we're seeing today, maybe, I truly think that it's possible that we will start seeing not only Shib, but a lot of other altcoins on there. So let's see here. We got the money. Came in from crypto.com. Axie Infinity. Been telling y'all. I'm farming and staking on the swap since the first hour of release. Let's go, man. Let's go. All right. Let's do it, guys. We're going to swap. So we have Ethereum. Let's see. Not the max. Not the max. So we have 0.102 Ethereum. So we want to do 0.05 Ethereum into Bone. So it's going to buy us 19.81 Bone. So let's go ahead and swap. What are the gas fees looking like? 0.5 would be 100. Okay, not too bad. Confirm swap. Gotta do it, man. We gotta pounce, folks. Let's pounce. It says confirm on my phone. Give me 1 sec. Go ahead and do that. Pay. Miner fee, $4. Woof. Transaction submitted. Let's go. Now we're gonna buy some SHIB too. And then we're gonna do some, what do you guys think? Bury or stake? SHIBARMY, you guys are the ones who get to control what happens today. Do we bury or burying is staking? Bury or dig? I'm looking to probably bury. That's because I feel like it's easier instead of having to worry about some of these other things. But my goodness, man, when they panic, we pounce, folks. When they panic, we pounce. Jonathan Smith, welcome to the Europop Elite Membership Club. Thank you so much for being a part of partaking in the membership, Jonathan. You are a rock star, my friend. Jasper, Nicole says stake. Jamie says stake. Harl says bury, which is staking. We got one dig. Bury, dig, bury, less risky. Man, overwhelming bury. All right, guys. Serdic says dig. Team bury, stake all day. Honestly, I really do prefer, also, I do prefer burying, but I need to probably do some digging as well. But let's go ahead and do 0.05 into not Bone. We're going to do some SHIB. Let's go ahead and pay attention to the price action. Where are we at? 134, 13.4, 13,457,400. Okay. Let's go ahead and swap. What's the current price of SHIB? Price update. How are we looking right now? Still a reasonable entry point in my opinion. Remember, in retrospect, the reality is we're decently lower than, the intraday. We're on the lower end of the intraday trading volatility markers. So you guys can see we've been up and down, up and down, up and down throughout the entire day. If we look at the 1 day chart here, really from 800, almost 810 down to 795. So again, I think regardless, this is probably a good entry point. Let's go to the swap, accept, confirm swap, confirm on phone. That's why I love Coinbase wallet, by the way. To me, I think it's just the easiest, simplest thing to use. So we go woof. We're good. We got our SHIB and we got our Bone. Love it, man. All right, we are good, folks. We are good. Now, let's go ahead and do some staking, guys. When they panic, what do? We pounce. We pounce, we pounce, we pounce. Dollar cost average again. Never put all your your buying power all at once. Rather, dollar cost average again. DCA. Really, gotta live by it. Gotta do it. Why are you buying Bone? Cody, why not? Diversify, man. We always talk about the different pairs, right? The pairing. So let's go ahead and look at Fox real quick, and I'll tell you why, man. Really, in my opinion, diversifying within the ecosystem is never a bad idea. When will you 100% wolf? At Binance, we promise not to break the platform again. Oh yeah, we're wondering when you'll be able to start trading the other two assets. And that's the thing you guys got to realize. For Bone, there's some massive potential upcoming. Newest introduction to the ecosystem, still in my opinion, extremely, extremely undervalued. Of course, never financial advice. So he asks, why am I buying Bone? So as you guys can see, when you stake your SHIB tokens, your Shiba Inu tokens, you earn XSHIB as your collateral, but in your actual earnings or you're rewarded, you're going to be rewarded with BONE and SHIB and Ethereum. But when you stake your BONE, you're going to get more BONE with that as well. 1% of all BONE per block, part of the 0.05% swap fees in BONE. So again, right now we're still in the liquidity period. So you're going to be getting your returns in BONE are going to be 10x the typical rewards. So that's why I'm looking to do so. Catch1133. Thank you so much for the $5 super chat, Catch. He says, just purchased 100 BONE at 542, but how come it shows 1,500 in my Coinbase wallet? Catch, it seems like there might be a little bit of a glitch for the price action when it comes to the actual Coinbase wallet, because I see the same thing on my wallet. So again, man, hopefully sooner rather than later, that's going to be the actual price as we see this thing start to take off. So I hope that helps, Catch. And again, thank you for all your support, my man. Really do appreciate it. So this is why I'm buying BONE and I'm also buying SHIB, just to diversify. Diversification, I think, is super duper important. Now we're trying to go back where? I'm lost. Here we go. We're going to do some burying, right? So let's go ahead and click stake tokens. So we're going to bury some more SHIB. Right now, it looks like we have, how much is that? 40,441,311. Currently, that's not buried. That's just chilling. So what are we going to do? What are we going to do? What are we going to do? I'm trying to think. Because one thing that I have not done, by the way, guys, yet, and I know some of you guys have seen, I know people that are making some insane returns. I've seen them on Twitter. I've seen the people who have been sending their screenshots from their different stakes, and it's insanity. So what happens when you woof? This is the one thing that I wish I understood a little bit better, is woofing. So claim your returns. When you deposit and withdraw your Shiba Swap liquidity pool, all your pending BONE for that pool will be woofed automatically. So this is where you're going to see your return on your investment. So some of the actual earnings, which is insanity. BONE, Ethereum. My goodness. Insane. I know people who said in the last few days they've made more money than they've made in a few years of actually working, which is mind-blowing. That is absolutely mind-blowing. But anywho, let's go ahead and stake. So we're going to bury some SHIB. What do we have? $320 worth, so 440 million. Let's do like 50% of our SHIB that we currently have available and put that into, let's bury 50% right now. So stake. Confirm on iPhone. One sec here, folks. Staking. Here it goes. It's processing. Let's give it a second to do what it's got to do. What's 3Score Security about? Jasper, I think that's, in my opinion, it's FUD. So we're going to see this Citrix official audit report hopefully tomorrow. Saturday, July 10th is when it's anticipated. So that's, in my opinion, I'm ignoring any type of other FUD article out there that's saying, it's a 3 or whatever. People are saying what people could literally write whatever they want on the internet. And if enough traction is around it, we're going to start seeing people kind of go from there. So yeah, man, that's it. Brian Edwards dropping another super chat with the $25. Thank you so much, Brian, for your support. Brian Edwards, man, I got to do something for you. I don't know. We got to connect on another social media platform if you use any. He says SHIB/Shiba Swap is so unique and nuanced that by the time the average person wraps their mind around what it is and its potential, it will be unaffordable for most to optimize the investment opportunity. We are blessed. Man, isn't that the truth? So well said, Brian. Really, I truly think what you said there is 100% right. That's why I keep saying we're all early investors. Enter the dog yard. Let's go. So we just officially got more. We have more that's total buried, 112 million tokens. So perfect. Exactly what I was looking for. Brian, totally agree with what you said there. So thank you for all your support, my brother, and appreciate all your kind words. And really, just the amount of conviction you have for SHIB is honestly wonderful. Honestly wonderful. So provide liquidity. That's one thing that we have not done is providing liquidity. So let's go ahead and maybe try to do something real quick. Man, your guys' energy tonight is phenomenal. Loving your guys' energy, man. So liquidity provider rewards. Liquidity provides earn returns on trades proportional to their share of the pool. Returns are added to the pool, occur in real time, and can be claimed by withdrawing your liquidity. So if we add liquidity, Ethereum plus not enough, insufficient Ethereum balance. Okay, so what if we did, let's do like 10 million, say. What would happen if we did that? 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, 1 million, 10 million. Okay, 10 million is too much. Let's try 5 million. 50,000, 500,000, 5 million. Too much. I just want to see what happens. 2,500, 25,000, 250K. Okay, so 2 million. Here we go. 200, 2,000, 20,000, 200,000, 2 million. There we are. Let's go ahead. We're going to supply 2 million SHIB just to see what happens, because I've not done any digging yet. I've only been doing staking, guys. So we got to add some. George Crozier dropping to $5 super chat. Thank you so much. He says New Hampshire moderates for our captain, Orc Cloud Shot. My man, George. Appreciate all your love and support, man, and all your kind words. Thank you so much. Gianfranco Ianato, he says, hi, your pop. Salute to the army. I don't know why, but Coinbase wallet looks too difficult to me to use. Any advice? Gianfranco, what do you mean by too difficult, man? It's pretty user friendly. You just got to go to the app store, download it, and it's a storage space. It's nothing more than a storage space. Don't let it seem like it's any more confusing than that. So that's a place where you can just transfer your tokens from an exchange directly to your wallet. So hopefully that, and so if you do have questions, feel free to just message throughout the chat and we can try to address it today. Dozer B dropping the $50 super chat. My goodness, guys, give this video, smash that like button, guys. Let's get this out to more people. The energy and the vibes from the SHIB army tonight has been absolutely phenomenal. So please, if you haven't already, smash that like button. Also, subscribe to the channel for anybody that is new. I was looking at some of the analytics, and only about 40 or 50% of you that are watching the stream are actually subscribed to the channel. So hit that like button, subscribe, and it really does help get the video out to more people, because the more SHIB army members, the better. Because truly, I don't want people missing out, because in about a year or two, people are going to look back and say, man, if only I can go back in time. We've already missed the Dogecoin train. Let's not miss the Shiba Inu train. So Dozer B with a $50 super chat, he says, with the entire market playing follow the leader, Bitcoin, buy, stake, bury, rinse, and repeat, then just be patient. Shiba Swap is very easy to use. Introduce it to your friends and family and help them through the setup. Make that money. Hashtag SHIB army. Dozer B, man, thank you so much for all your support and love. Really, that means a lot to me, man. So thank you. Thank you, man. But honestly, what he says is so true. That's all we can do. We can spread the positivity. We can spread the word. And that's the beauty of the SHIB army and the SHIB community, is that Shiba Inu is spreading so quickly because of the word of mouth. We like it, so we also try to, pass it along to those that are part of our lives or new individuals in the internet. And that's the thing, man. Marketing, we got down to the T, 100%. So I love it, man. Pop, you compare Shiba and Bone for more profit. Oh, look at that. See, that's what I love about the chat, man. So let's go ahead and do this. Let's go back. So Ethereum, you said Bone and Shib. Man, this is why we gotta, man, much love. Thank you. So if we go back to the pairs and we look at the different things that you could do with Dig to the liquidity pool, you guys see that there's Shib in Ethereum, Bone in Ethereum, and Leash in Ethereum. So are you sure that that's going to work though? Because here it's input Bone and input Shib. Is that what you meant? Who's the one who sent that message? Use the what? I'm literally letting the chat control this right now. This is so fun, guys. GP says good night, fellow mods. Hold it down at George Crozier. Yup. GP, have a good night, my friend. Thank you for joining us on the stream tonight. Get that rest, man. Big weekend for us. I'm hoping that it's going to be a very big and phenomenal weekend. Sorry with an acting best suffering from Pariachi Chatterjee. One of the elite members says, "Hey Ahmed, brother, good morning. Sorry I was inactive the past week. Was suffering from COVID. Love your videos, man. Moon soon. Man, I'm so sorry to hear that you've been infected. I hope that you recover very nicely. Make sure you hydrate, man. Parichai. Make sure you hydrate. One of the best things you can do, and also movement. Allowing your lymph fluid to kind of just roam around the body instead of just letting it pool as you lay down and stay bedridden. I know it's easier said than done, but movement, super important to get that immune system function revving up. And in addition, hydration. Increase your vitamin C intake, vitamin D as well. Helps us fight off those viruses. So do what you can. But moon soon, man. Moon soon. Some big anti-FUD things that are coming Saturday, tomorrow. Coinbase listing soon. And we have a big month. Big things happening. And Patrick Gilmartin becoming one of the elite members. Thank you so much for your support, Patrick. I really do appreciate that you decided to partake in it. Let's go, baby. Let's go. And Doom says, are you having Chad Reddings on? I was planning to do it this morning, but unfortunately I did lose a childhood friend. So I was just, really didn't want to come on for a stream until later in the afternoon. But Chad and I are hopefully going to do something this weekend. Hopefully we'll be doing a stream on my channel this weekend where we can have a dialogue and talk about Shiba Inu, our price predictions, price action, where we're going, and talk about everything regarding Shib and the community. Nicole Marani says, I digged $2,400 worth of Ethereum and Bone and got over 200 Bone. My goodness, 200 Bone? Really? That's insane, man. So Ethereum and Bone. Wow, man. Patrick Gilmartin says, what about DAI and SHIB on the dig? Yeah, exactly. So you guys can see all the pairs that we could do. So SHIB and Ethereum, Bone and Ethereum, Leash and Ethereum. So any of these really you can put into the liquidity pool as pairs, but the DAI and USDT, all these are part of the rewards, not anything that you really need to necessarily pair with. So I hope that answers your question. George Crozier dropping another $5 super chat. George, you're crazy, man. He says, best wishes for our family with COVID. Absolutely, man. Best wishes. Listen to Pop or Cloudbound. Let's go, George. Let's go. It seems to me like it's a little cheaper through the other exchanges. Roman, it might be. Because there's fluctuations between them all. And honestly, what CoinMarketCap does is it just takes them from one and then lists the price there. So just make sure that you kind of have a good understanding of that. Back to the swap. So let's see. Shib per Bone, Bone per Shib. Share of pool, 0.03%. So let's see. Get Bones in our liquidity pool. So if I pair these two, I'm just trying to make sure I will be getting the right In order to claim your dig returns, you must deposit your SSLP Shiba Swap Liquidity Provider tokens into an allocated pair box at Wolf. Once SLP are deposited, your returns occur in real time. Remember, you can claim 33% of your Wolf returns weekly, but the remaining 67% will be locked for 6 months. Okay, we have an understanding of that. I just didn't know you can pair these two together. My goodness, it seems like it's a little cheaper through. Yep. Hello, Pop, says Heard. How are you doing? Smash that like button, they say. Absolutely, Marco. Check Wolf. Smash the like button, guys. Smash the like button. Much love to the Shib Army. To use WETH for dig. Look at your chart. Are we looking at the USDT chart? Kind of just trading sideways at the moment. Here, let's slow down. Very confusing, LOL. It is very confusing. You are not going to get bone if you pair those. Geek Squad Investments. Yeah, I didn't think so. That's why I didn't approve it. Because what I'm looking at right now is the dig, the bury and dig rewards. So if you stake bone, obviously you're going to get bones for returns, but for the liquidity pool, it's Shib in Ethereum, Bone in Ethereum, or Leash in Ethereum. If you want to get back Bone, you just need to do Shib in Ethereum, but then you get some of these stable tokens in addition when you do Bone in Ethereum. If I'm not mistaken. Shout out to Branjo Roy dropping the $5 super chat. Thank you so much. He says, check Wolf if there is a Bone Shib pair to deposit. It doesn't look like there is. So let's go ahead and let's go ahead and check it out. It says check the Wolf paper, right? I think that's what you meant. Let's go ahead and check it out real quick, guys. We want to make sure we do this right? We want to make sure we don't... No need to rush anything. Really. There's no rush. We're chilling right now, just hanging out. Waiting for the Wolf paper to go up. Check Wolf tab and look at the pairs. Bone. Oh, okay, the Wolf tab. Hold up. All right, let's go back. Wolf, here it is. Farm tokens. Here we are. So this is what you meant, right? Bone, WETH. This is what you're talking about, I take it. Bone and Ethereum is giving the big returns. Got it. So let's go ahead and click open. Let's see. Shib. When it says WETH, guys, just trust me. You guys would be surprised how much of a newbie I am. But when we see WETH, that's... I don't believe that's just... Is that just regular Ethereum? When it says WETH? ERC20, tradable version of Ethereum. So I think that should be the same, right? Shib, WETH. Wrapped Ethereum. So there's nothing different that I need to do, if I'm not mistaken, right? Wrapped. People are saying wrapped. Okay. Man, I feel like I need to bring one of you guys on right now just so we can walk through this. Because all I've been doing, honestly, is 100% burying. That's it. Autocorrect. Gotta pay it to approve it. Yes, it's the same. It's the same wrapped. Yes, regular Ethereum. Wrapped Ethereum. Okay. So what we want to do right now is Bone and wrapped Ethereum. Because you have 1,000% return. Because that's the 10x, right? What's going on? So go ahead and approve. Let's confirm it on the phone. Let me just do that real quick. The D app is requesting an action. Okay. So I approved that. Let us do his thing real quick. Much love. This stream has been awesome, man. WEBULL not working in the Middle East. Abu Muhammad asks, I don't think WEBULL is available in the Middle East right now. But they're expanding. So here we go. There. Okay. So we have these all set up. So let me see. WEBULL countries. Eligible countries. So right now for WEBULL, if you live in the following countries, it is available. The United States, of course, India, Brazil, Turkey, the Philippines, Malaysia, Japan, China, and Korea. And if you'd like to be put on the priority list, they'll notify you as soon as WEBULL is able to use it, which you could go through the FAQ. Hopefully, we're going to see this thing as a global brokerage. But for right now, you have to live in one of these countries to get your 2 free stocks when you deposit your $5. Because people have been asking me, Pop or Ahmed, why can't I get my free stocks? Why am I unable to deposit money to my WEBULL brokerage account? It just might not be approved in your country yet as a brokerage. And that is why. So again, just give it time. But if you live in any of these countries here that are listed, the US, India, Brazil, Turkey, Philippines, Malaysia, Japan, China, or Korea, make sure you get your 2 free stocks. You have till July 20th to get up to $2,300 for free with WEBULL. Click the link in the chat or the description below. Now, all right, guys, keep walking me through this. Keep walking me through this. Yo, Pop, there's no way to do wrong on ShibaSwap. Law, are you still live? Wow, Tristan, absolutely, my man. Hey, SHIBARMY, hope everyone is doing good. Dedicated. Tristan, man, I love streaming, man. It's honestly become, it's almost like an addiction. But all right, go ahead, guys. So tell me, what's next? We went ahead and got our Bone Ethereum. So when you deposit or withdraw your SSLP, all your pending Bone for the pool will be woofed automatically. So now we've opened Bone in Ethereum. So now we need to go back and dig Bone in Ethereum. Am I correct? Tristan, I got you, man. Pop, there's no wrong way, dog. I know, man. I know. I appreciate it, Patrick. What's your end of the year prediction? We could talk about the prediction, but I just want to figure out go pair bone and Ethereum at dig. Okay. Let's go back. Dig, provide liquidity, create a pair. Bone, Ethereum. Maximum with the Ethereum. Oh, man. I need to get more Ethereum, huh? One sec. Let's buy some more Ethereum real quick. How come it's not here? I'm just going to deposit some more. For some reason, it's saying that you can add liquidity on Wolf. Directly on Wolf, you can add liquidity. Buy Ethereum. Okay, hold up one sec. One sec, folks. Let me go ahead and pull up Coinbase. You need 50-50 bone Ethereum. Got it, got it, got it. Got it, guys. Let's go ahead and buy. When you say W Ethereum, you mean Ethereum. Don't confuse me, folks, because I have not done the burying yet. Can you use a swap with buy or swap for W Ethereum? Now dig your pairs. You have to write it. It's bugged. Oh, German. Thank you. Man, much love. Got to write it out. You can't just hit max. Okay. Carrot L says first super chat on your channel. The $5 super chat. Thank you, Carrot. Subscribed and saw that you hit 50,000 live. Love your humble attitude, and it's awesome to see you guys get all the support. Carrot, thank you so much, my friend. Really appreciate your love and support. And honestly, it's been such a humbling experience. And I can't say thank you enough to the Shiba Army because it's all of you guys that have created this entire thing. It's not me. I'm just here talking. That's all I do. You guys are the ones who are the supporters. You're the ones who are spreading the word. So thank you, Carrot, for your kind words, and thank you everybody else. So let's go ahead and figure out what we can do for Ethereum. So if we put in the 0.008, that's only 3 bones. That's weak. Okay, we need to get more Ethereum. Hold up. Let me buy some more Ether. Give me a sec here, guys. Today's goal is to spend a lot of money. Oh man, oh man. Give me one sec. Go ahead, trade. So we got this, folks. Slow and steady, no rush. I feel like I'm rushing, but no rush. Dozer B, my man Dozer, dropping another $5 super chat tip. I hit the max Ethereum, then back the Ethereum number a little, so it covers fees. Perfect. Thank you, Dozer. Thank you so much, Dozer. Appreciate you, Dozer. I'll definitely do that. Branjal Roy says you dig using Ethereum Bone. You get SSLP. Deposit it into the Bone W Ethereum pair and woof. You start having bones. Perfect. I got you. I got you. I got you. Give me one sec here. I'm currently on Coinbase trying to get some liquidity. Here we go. Ethereum, trade, buy Ethereum. Trying to do this, folks. Big Black Cajun, my man, dropping the $5 super chat. Thank you so much. He says, have you tracked all the Ethereum and gas needed to stake or bury? It would be an interesting thing to see how much spent versus how much gained via APY. I haven't, man. That's actually, that'd be very interesting. That's an interesting take. I'd be all about it. I would love to see kind of what happens with that. Convert. Buy. I wish I was faster with all this, man. It always takes me forever. All the steps. Here we go. Preview. Buy now. Finally. 3 fees also. Don't know why. All right. We got our Ethereum now. So let's go ahead and transfer it to Coinbase wallet. Send. Here we go, folks. The maximum. Continue. Not now. Coinbase wallet. Transfer. Receive. Almost done, guys. Almost done. Copying my Ethereum wallet address. Gotta take it slow. Just like I tell you guys, take it slow, take it slow, take it slow. Don't rush. Super important. Preview send. Ethereum to an Ethereum wallet. Perfect. Send now. German Higuera becoming an elite member. Shout out German, man. Thank you so much for deciding to partake in the elite membership. I appreciate your support, my brother. Thank you so much. German Higuero. I like the name too. Hopefully I'm pronouncing it right. He says, there we go, baby. There we go. I missed the Doge and a bit. Could have got a bit at 74. Hashtag SHIBARMY. Let's go, man. Hashtag SHIBARMY. All right. We got our Ethereum now, guys. So let's do what we got to do. Perfect. Now, back on the swap. So Ethereum Bone. Let's go ahead and refresh real quick. Let it do its thing. Let it do its thing. All right. So I'm gonna make sure I do this right, like you guys told me. So I'm gonna do 0.05. But we said just go ahead and take some off. 4.8. Say 4.5. 4.8. Let's try that. Approve Bone. So we have Ethereum Bone. We're digging it, setting it as a pair for the liquidity pool. So approve. Go ahead on the Coinbase wallet. Approve real quick. Confirm payment. We got to pay $1.68 gas fee. The miner fee, which is A-OK. Approving Bone. Let it do its thing, guys. Patience is key. When they panic, we pounce. Oh man, oh man. Hart Gill says, what price do you think SHIB can reach by the end of the summer or the end of the year? P.S. Thank you for your videos and putting me on to SHIB. Hart Gill, my pleasure, my friend. My pleasure. Honestly, it's been such a wild ride. Ever since I started making Shiba Inu content, the overwhelming amount of support I have been receiving has been phenomenal. But he's asking about the end of the summer, where do I think things are going to go? Oh, here we go. So, did I do it right? Approve. Okay. So now we have those two there. So we now go to Wolf, if I'm not mistaken. And then click here. I'm doing something wrong, didn't I? Add liquidity. Already did, didn't I? Bone Ethereum combo. All right, what am I messing up, guys? Let me look at the chat real quick. But Hark, I'll say kind of my price prediction for the summer. A lot depend. Each action, can I buy directly? All right, let's see. In the chat, what am I doing wrong? First time digging today. I'm doing it live in front of you guys. So again, click supply. Supply it. So go over here. What am I missing? Supply. Click supply. Go to dig. Oh, wait. Go to dig first. Oh, man. Okay, Steven Player. Click supply. Click supply. You did the opposite. Go back to dig. Okay. Go back to dig. Branjo Roy, thank you so much for the super chat. He says, on supply, click dig. Click on supply on dig. No, on dig. Okay. So go back to Wolf. Refresh the page. All right. Let's slow down. Let's slow down. It's my first time, guys. It's my first time. It's a learning experience. Okay. Back in dig, click supply. Click supply on dig. So the first thing I want to do is click here on dig, right? I hope I'm not giving you guys anxiety. No liquidity found. All right. I'm confused. I'm so confused. I'm sorry, guys. You might have to do it twice. On dig supply. What am I missing? Pops, how do I become an elite member? Sean Van, really, you guys already do too much. Dozer says you might have to do it twice. Now go to create a pair. All right. You need to do it again, bro. German Higuera. Okay. So go to Wolf. Okay. Redo the pair again. Click open. And so we have to go ahead and... I thought I had slow mode activated, but my goodness, hold up. Let me try to keep up with the chat real quick. Do it all again. Okay, I think I could do that. Jeez. Not Wolf, dig twice. Ah, okay. Provide liquidity. Create a pair. Looks like the pair didn't go through. Aha, I got you, Theory. So I'm going to double check in my wallet to make sure to see, do I have my Ethereum? I do. Okay, so let's go back again. Go to dig. Slow mode is on. It is. Go to dig. I'm sorry, guys. Back to dig, create the pair, click supply. Okay, back to dig, create a pair, and then let's go ahead and do 0.045. Then its pair is going to be with phone. Click supply. Create the pair again. Okay, I can do that. Can definitely do that. Supply. Confirm supply. Waiting for confirmation. Jeez, that's an insane miner fee, but that's okay. Transaction submitted. Wolf. Pending. Let it do its thing. Let's let it do its thing. My goodness, guys. Do you want to dig or Wolf? I'm a little lost. I want to create the pair as into the liquidity pool, but then from there, I think you go to Wolf, if I'm not mistaken. Distress, Law, you got this. Hard Gill. Thank you so much. And just to address end of summer price prediction, by the way, side note, let's stop from this anxiety for a second. Let's let it do its thing. Let it do its pending right now. End of the summer price prediction. So that's end of summer meaning end of August. So not the month of July, but also August. We look at all-time highs, May 10th, 2021. 3,600 Satoshi units. That's a 400% increase from current price right now. Do I think we'll see that by the end of the summer? In my opinion, as Ahmed's opinion, your pop, 100% think we could see all-time highs by the end of the summer. Even potentially by the end of July. But we need to see the most instrumental aspect of seeing this run up again, a bull run like we saw earlier this year. The true way for us to see something like that is if and only if, aside from all the positive catalysts that are on the way for Shiba Inu, if the overall crypto market rebounds. I want to see Bitcoin go back to 60,000. I want to see it 2x from its current value. I want to see things go well for the big conference that's happening, the B word. We need those catalysts to come into play, and we need people and institutions to start buying in, and we need positive regulation from major countries, including the United States. Positive regulation. Because if one word happens and they say, nope, we're not regulating this thing anymore, or we're banning this thing, then it's over. So again, if we see positive regulations, that's going to be extremely important in my opinion. So back to digging. It's still pending, right? I see that it's doing its pending thing. So I think it's still going. By the way, Pops, you had to buy bones as well to be able to provide the dig. Yes, German. I did buy bone earlier on the stream. And so now what we're doing is we're pairing Ethereum and bone together to hopefully make a liquidity pair that yields a really good rewards. That's the that's the ultimate goal here. Ronald and Audacity, I think it is. We appreciate all you do, Pop. Don't worry, we are right here with you. Let's go, Ronald. I told you guys, be surprised because all I've been doing is burying and buying Shib, right? But when it comes to the actual technical steps of the swap, when it comes to digging, I haven't done it before. And I could see the frustration that some of you are also dealing with. So I hope that when I do it live and make mistakes, I told you, this is where the fruits come about. So Hark says, you are the man, brother. Thank you for all the info. Hark, my pleasure, man. It's all a learning experience. We're learning together. I'm just one other person that's learning with you. Looks like it's still pending if you guys are seeing what I'm seeing. Or is it done? Are we done? Swap. Let me see what everyone's saying in the chat. Probably giving you guys a lot of anxiety. Oh man, we got Aldo Garcia becoming an elite member. Shout out to Aldo and the Visionary, both becoming elite members back to back. Thank you guys so much for your support, man. Much love, Shiba Army. Really, much love to both of you guys. Thank you so much. Check the ether scan. Check ether scan. Jason Safantes, I see you, man. All right, let's do it. Give me 1 sec. Hoo-hoo. What am I doing, man? Learning experience for all of us. Because when they panic, we pounce. Jason, I got you. Jason, I got you. Jason, I got you. Give me 1 sec. Ethereum scan. In the dig section where you can manage it. Got it. Based on your screen, it's still pending. Yep, I see that up here. So let's just be patient. Let's be patient. Let's read some of the chats you guys are saying. Crypto Moonchaser, click on the pending and you could see it on Etherscan. Got it. Just want to make sure I'm scared that, oh, okay. Here we go. Add Ethereum, approve bone, swap Ethereum. There we go. So as you guys could see, still pending here. So we're waiting for it to clear. Let's give it some time, man. Give it some time. Patience is key. Thank you, Crypto Moonchaser, by the way, for the $5 super chat and all your support. And everybody else, man. Thank you guys, man. It's been a fun learning experience. I gotta do this more often. I think I should make it a requirement. Every single time I come on stream, we gotta buy more Shib. Gotta buy more Shiba Inu. View Explorer. Mine took about 7 minutes, says Aldo. Gotcha, Aldo. Waiting patiently. I did my first dig today too. Let's go, man. Oh, your first dig today. Okay. So we're on the same boat there then. On the same boat, my friend. How much is bone going to be worth by the end of the summer? Oof, hot take, no? Hot take. With the fact that there's 250 million currently in circulation, and you know the liquidity period is for the next 14 days, so a lot of people are minting or getting bone into their portfolios. Once the majority is already now in people's wallets, and again the demand is going to increase, we saw it go up all the way to $75 per bone. So I really think that we're going to start seeing this thing also start picking up as the overall market picks up. Right now what Satoshi was telling me recently when we talked is that he's very focused on getting leash, I think bone as well, listed on other exchanges. So Shib is already out there. We are all over the map on all these different decentralized exchanges, soon to be on Coinbase. But he also wants us to he also wants to see the other assets from the ecosystem being leash and bone on others. So, yep, yeah, still pending. Patience is key here, I guess. Jason says, "Bring me on live." Jason, I got you, man. Rigor Mortis was supposed to pop in here, but I don't know. He's been busy. He's been busy. Can't believe Bone went up to $75 and now back to $5. That is crazy. I thought you could get leash by burying Bone. Did they change it? The liquidity pairs are right here. So I think you might be right. You can get leash by burying Bone. Doesn't look like it. The only way to get leash is by either burying leash or digging leash. So adding to the liquidity pool or staking. No other way to get leash as far as when we're looking at the major pairs. So hopefully that explains that. Go to pending transaction. Definitely waiting. Brian Joe Roy says speed up the transaction on Coinbase wallet. Speed up the transaction. Is that even a thing? Let's go look. If only I could say, hurry up, please. Just like talk into it. Patience, patience, patience. Man, oh man. But again, Pranjal, thank you so much for the kind words and your support. Really do appreciate it. Juan De Leon dropping a super chat. Thank you so much for the $5 super chat, my friend. He says, hey, your pop, how did you buy Bone? I missed that part of the stream. Hey, Juan, very, very easy, man. It is so easy. While we're waiting for this thing pending, so you come on ShibaSwap, directly on the website, shibaswap.com. You can go from ship token and click use ShibaSwap here. Go down to the swap itself and swap tokens. So all you got to do is select any of the tokens you want to swap with. So I did Ethereum live, and then you could swap Ethereum to Bone right here. And that's what I did, man. And then I put in the amount that I was willing to, and I bought about, I can't remember, guys, it was 20-some, 30-some Bones. So we swapped for them, and then it became a part of my Coinbase wallet. Loving this new decentralized exchange, man. So easy to use. Gotta love it. So Juan, I hope that helps, man. Super easy. Josh Mendoza. Pop, when are we going to see the APY and the reward? 7 days, Josh. 7 days. It takes 7 days to see your rewards. And if you're wondering where I got that information, you can see that right here. Remember, you can claim 33% of RIF returns every week. And then the remaining 67 will be locked for 6 months. So when they say every week you can start claiming some of the rewards that you get, it takes about 7 days before you see those returns in your in the either the liquidity pool or from your staking. So hope that helps, Josh. Man, you guys are going nuts with the super chat. Thank you guys so much. All dig pendings take longer. Mine took about 30 minutes. Grind to hustle. Thank you so much for the super chat and giving us the information. You guys heard it first. It might take a little bit longer than we are anticipating, but regardless, we could talk about something else. Let's let the time kind of go by. I don't know. Let's talk about something you guys want to talk about. Someone says price action, Modern Warfare 2. Bria says, you guys want to play a video game while waiting for this thing to complete pending? We definitely can. We can. Adam Atkinson, I just woofed Bone and Ethereum pair. Can you walk through that one more time? I want to make sure it is correct. I see X Bone in my wallet. One more time. He said, I just woofed Bone and Ethereum pair. So my understanding, and correct me if I'm wrong in the chat, if you want to create the Bone and Woof pair to dig into the liquidity pool, you click dig, you go ahead and create a pair, put Ethereum and Bone combo, put in the amount that you could do, click supply, which right now mine is pending, and after that we'll go ahead into the woof. So woof your returns, farm tokens, click into the Bone wrapped Ethereum, and then you should be able to deposit from the liquidity pool. So Adam, I hope that answers. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys. Warzone SHIBARMY. Hey, I play Warzone. I'm pretty bad, but I do play Warzone. My KD is What is my KD? 0.46 or something? It's pretty bad. Because I play with friends that have 2.5, 1.5, 1.9 KDs. So I'm always getting sniped, fam. Always getting sniped. And I'm like, it's because of you guys. Dude, check your wallet, says Carlos. Carlos, I'm looking at my wallet right now. Sheesh. Lane says sheesh. I know, man, it's bad. It's bad. I'm playing with some crazy folks. I'm in school for game design. Let's go, man. The video game industry is growing massively. Yes, that was correct, says Siban. Hi, Ahmed. It's 6:45 a.m. in Kuwait. When will Shiba at least get to 0.00007? So 10x. Adawiya, 10x from current value? Probably not by the end of the summer. Because, again, I think by passing all-time highs, but I think in the next few months, a 10x is imminent. I could really see it happening sooner rather than later. But again, for me, I would more anticipate seeing a 10x in price, just in my opinion, of course, never financial advice, probably by the fall. As long as the overall crypto market continues to rebound, just so many people are already utilizing the swap, things are looking really good for us. Aldo, Pop, so in 7 days, will we see Ethereum, Shib, Bone rewards in our wallets? Aldo, you will. Exactly. You're going to see your rewards directly, but it's going to be locked. Remember, it's going to be locked. 67% will be locked for 6 months. 33% of your rewards you can take out immediately. Kashif Baig says, did you pick fast or slow? You need to click and check the ether scan. Hold up. It says my ether scan right now, 14 minutes. Oh, let's see. Estimated confirmation duration, up to about 9 minutes. Gas tracker, it's more than half. According to the ether scan, it looks like it's almost done. If that pending transaction queue is accurate, it's about, I would say, 6/8 completed. So we're almost done with the transaction, folks. Let's just be a little bit more patient. I just put it in a different tab, just because I know people try to send me money to my wallet, and I really don't want it. I don't want that. So let's just wait a little longer. It looks like it's almost done. Which is more profitable, Pop, bury or dig? Honestly, it all depends on what you want to do. Either way, I think you're going to see some fantastic profits from either digging or from burying. I'm just trying to do both. So right now I've been burying only. It hasn't been 7 days, of course. It's only been, almost 3 days since the swap went live. So we really haven't seen our actual rewards. There's claims that it's going to be, this APY, that APY. But it seems like for dig, the Ethereum and Bone combo is pretty crazy. Pretty crazy. Pranjo Roy dropping a $2 super chat. Thank you for your support, man. You keep sending those super chats. So thank you. I did speed up a transaction yesterday in MetaMask wallet to complete the transaction. I don't know how it is in Coinbase wallet. Yeah, so directly in my wallet, there's no option that I see to speed up a transaction. I don't see that here. But according to the Etherscan that I just pulled up a second ago, I did put it up on a different tab. Oh, here it is. Add 0.045 Ethereum and 18 Bone. Look at that. Cleared. All right, we're good, folks. We're ready to woof. Go to woof. Let's go. All right. So now we go to woof and we're going to click right here. Yes, there it is. Wallet balance. So it has 0.88104. So we're going to go max and then deposit, right, guys? Let me make sure in the chat. I don't want to mess anything up. Okay, you got it. I'm digging 105, 75 mil Shib Ethereum combo. My average profit is $600 a day, worth a bone. Joseph, my goodness. Shib Ethereum combo. My average profit is $600 a day worth of bone. Go slow, dude. Carlos says go slow. Yes, everyone is saying yes. Correct. Okay. We're going to go ahead and deposit. Confirm on the wallet. Confirm. All right, it's confirming now. It's pending up here. Let's be patient. Used fast gas. The thing is, as soon as I confirm, it didn't give me, I don't think it gave me an option. I just quickly confirmed it. How much LP, Lane? Yeah, Lane, let us know. How much LP? $600 a day? Is that what you were saying? YMC in the chat. He says hashtag Shib podcast army. Smashing that like button. Hey, YMC said it. If you haven't already, please smash that like button. Click the link for WEBULL as well to support the channel. Get your 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300, folks. Less than insert 2 hours later meme. Less than 2 hours later. Oh, man. Yeah. Oh, boy. It's 5 in the morning here, bro. YMC, man, I appreciate you. On a Saturday, waking up early. I love just, you know. Oh, there it is. Deposit. Here we go. I think I did it. Guys, I think I did it. Now what? To change gas to fast or slow, click on the gear before you confirm. Gotcha, Jason. I see what you're saying. But patience. I feel like if we change it to fast, it might cost even more. You're good. All right. Woof. 0.00. Wait, did I just get that? Did I just get 0.00321 bone? Woof. Oh. So I click woof. Farm. Tip the miners. Hey, Pop, can you explain please what you meant by it's over when regulations come into play? Team Grindhouse. So if we have positive regulations around the crypto space, again, from the US or from any other country, when we have positive regulations or acceptance, mass adoption, regulation is going to be important, but we need positive regulation. Because if a ban happens, of course, it's tough. He said, yep, it's your bone there. Kashif bag. Let's go, man. Wait. So if I click wolf, what happens? Do not click wolf. Don't click yet. It's nothing right now. Gotcha. It's going to keep creating bone. Just wait. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. I'm loving this. So this is the 10x liquidity event, that period that they were talking about, right? Let it build up before woofing. Don't woof. Yes, your bone's earned. Gotcha. I'm just not used to seeing that because all I've been doing is burying and I haven't seen much happening there. It updates every 15 seconds. I understand. So 1.6 bone. Dang. So right now, tell me what you guys are seeing. You get 33% right now. That's the reward. Okay. So tell me, guys. Tell me, everybody that's been digging. How much are you seeing in every 24-hour period? How much rewards are you seeing each day from woofing? And Crypto Moon Chaser dropping the $5 super chat. Wait till you get more bone. You have to pay. Got you, Crypto Moon Chaser. I'll just leave it in there for a year. I'm going to just keep it in there. I'm not rushing. This is so cool, man. This is a lot more satisfying than burying because you have to wait every 7 days to see the rewards. This is instantaneous. 13 bones a day. What is that? 13 bones times $5 right now, say. $60 a day. 80 bone gives you 3 bones per hour. 3 bones, $15 an hour. That's like literally having a day job. Hold up. Half a bone in 24 hours. 400 plus bones daily on farming. Noil. 100 bones per day. So you're making $500 a day? Okay, now can you guys explain in the chat? 40 bones per day. Jason Cifuentes? You're making $200 a day, man? So tell me, how much do you have in your liquidity pool, the SSLP? What does yours look like for Bone Ethereum? How much do you have in there? Depends on how much you add to LP. That makes sense, right? Because the more, of course, you're gonna have higher yield. I get that. But so what do you guys each individually have? So now I'm gonna ask you guys this. For everybody that is currently using the liquidity pool and digging, how much do you have invested and how much are you getting in return? So I see that a lot of you guys said you have X amount here, X amount there. So Geek says I paired $1,000. And for pairing $1,000, Geek, your returns are 100 bones a day. So you're telling me you're making $500 a day and you invested $1,000. Really? Really? What? Your pop. You don't get it. You don't get it though. They get you with the price dropping. If you have put 3K like everyone else, when Bone was $12, you lost 70% of what you put in. So it's not worth getting 3,200. 24 bones a day, 40 bones paired. I'll stake 15 billion today. The more bones equals the price will drop. The thing about Bone, though, not Elon Musk, is that there's a finite amount that is in circulation. 250 million bones in total. It's not an inflationary token. It's a governance token. For 2 weeks only. Right. These rates are for 2 weeks. Not worth getting $300 your pop if you lost 1,700s, right? Definitely. No, I know what you mean. APY is getting less every hour. So your returns or your percentage returns are decreasing by the hour. Got it. Man, I wish I didn't wolf already. Mine is minimal. 0.055 equals 6.5 bones every 24 hours. But think about this, guys. After the liquidity event, what if Bone goes to $100? What if Bone goes to $1,000? What would happen then? That's insanity. That's a possibility. Shib and WETH have 5K LP tokens. Shib and W Ethereum, I have 5K LP tokens. 5,000 LP tokens. Shib and Ethereum. Got you. So you're using this one right here. And you get a 77.42% return. I see. I put in, I think it was a total of, I don't even remember, maybe 30 bones. Maybe a little less. Right now we're at half a bone, and we've only been doing this for a few minutes. That's kind of cool, guys. I love seeing the growth. Bone and W Ethereum 2K LP tokens. So Jason, how much US dollars is that invested? 2,000 LP tokens? Sounds like a lot of money, man. Bone current value. Bone current value according to the swap up here is $5.35. I buried 1 billion bone, so wondering what I will get. 1 billion bone. Wait, what, Nick? 1 billion bone? Come on, man. Who are you, Bill Gates? That's not half a bone. Oh, it's not half a bone. Oh, you're right. Oh, you're right. That's not even, 10% of a bone. Sad day. You're so right. You're at 5% of a bone right now. Good point, good point, good point. Oh, man. That's undervalued. Man, the chat has been so lively, guys. That's not possible. How much do you think Bone will go? I don't get it. What if I invest $1 in that? What would be my daily reward? Check back tomorrow, says Jason. Gotcha. Yeah, I'll just watch and wait. That's the best part. Is like, this is just gonna, it's just here to just kind of see what happens. We'll see where it goes. If by tomorrow we're up decently, I might do. I feel like I should do a lot more. So in the chat, everybody that is currently using their pairs, tell me how much US dollar equivalents you've invested and how much you're seeing on returns every day from digging. Kind of want to know. And we're already at 500 likes in the chat today. So if you haven't already, please smash that like button so so we can get this out to more people, because people need awareness, man. This is some easy money grab, in my opinion. This is such a fantastic opportunity. Here, Pop, I don't think that is likely exploding up. Look at V2 paper, and you'll see that it won't explode up a short while, but holders will be fine. Got you, Kashif. Ben Audi says, you will end up checking this as much as you check the market movements. Haha, it's like a drug, man. You won't kick this habit. Oh no, what did I do? I'm already obsessing over my portfolio. I feel like I need to add more. So let the addiction begin. This is a healthy addiction though, right? Wouldn't you guys consider it? 35,000 US dollars, says Buffalo Soldier. Buffalo Soldier. 2,200 bones per day. What? I spent around 7K or 8K USD, says Jason. My goodness, man. You guys are deep. You need to add more, says Lick. More. I definitely will. I definitely will. How many bones will I make with 15 million SHIB tokens? Not Elon Musk, they're lying, man. I don't know. I love the fact that people are having these kind of conversations. How do you confirm on your phone for Coinbase wallet? I don't get any code. Eduardo, you just have to open the app. Open Coinbase wallet. That's all you got to do. There's no confirmation or anything. Open the Coinbase wallet app and it's going to pop up with a confirmation. Manage yourself correctly, says Jason. Absolutely. How much time is left for the 10x prize pool? It's a 14-day liquidity, German Higuero. 14-day liquidity event, and it's been about July 6th. It went live, so we have about 11 more days. 11 more days. The return of all-time highs. I love the title of this. I'm going to change the title of the stream. Oh. There we go. Billion YMC says, Harsha Vanama, how do I link my Shiba crypto wallet to this digging? My Shiba crypto wallet. So if you have Coinbase wallet, is that what you mean? If you have crypto.com wallet, you're going to have to put it on either Coinbase wallet or MetaMask wallet, my man. So make sure you do that. But from there, you just click this connect button at the top right hand side. There's my wallet up here. Connect and go from there. All right, guys, we're almost at a tenth of a bone, aka 50 cents. So I see the rich get richer at this in this instance. The more you can, of course, add, the more yield you're gonna get. So imagine if you had $1 million. Wow, that's crazy to even think that there's probably some whales out there that are making some ridiculous returns. I bought bone but don't see it in my Trust wallet, but shows up in swap. Yeah, I'm not sure, John. I know Trust wallet sometimes gets a little glitch. When you woof the bone, you can use it to get more LPs, or you can stake it, whatever you want. Yeah, so right now, just to make sure you guys are aware, I have 112 million bones buried, and then I'm also woofing. We just started that today on the stream. So you can see the percentage. So we're getting our yield right here. Deposited not even 1 LP, 0.8 LP. So gotta get more. Where can I buy Shiba, Mr. M? Mr. M, it's so easy to buy Shiba. Download a wallet, MetaMask or Coinbase wallet. I prefer Coinbase wallet. Go on the website, shibatoken.com, click use Shiba swap. Once you click that link, it's gonna pop up after some loading. Give it a few seconds. A lot of people are on the website, so lag is pretty normal. And then click swap. Swap tokens, and then use whatever you have from your wallet. If it's Ethereum, if it's whatever, click there and then swap your Ethereum, or right now it's Ethereum, DAI, USDC. You can even do USDC token, USDT for SHIB. Swap to SHIB token right here, and boom, just like that, you're ready to buy some SHIB. It's that easy, my friend. That easy. Price prediction for SHIB by the end of this year? Ooh, Workout 1. That is a phenomenal question, my friend. Workout 1 asks, price prediction for SHIB by the end of the year. If the overall market pulls back, there's a lot of different things. Toshi is shy. Toshi is shy. I like the name a lot. But again, end of the year, I think we could see at the very minimum, if the overall market pulls back, anywhere between a 10x, so 10 times, which is a 1,000% increase in SHIB tokens price, all the way to, potentially even a 50x. I know that sounds crazy, which again, we're looking at 5,000% rewards or returns. I know that sounds ridiculous. So if we're looking at a 10x, we're looking at, instead of 30 or 790 Satoshi units, 7,900, or maybe even 70,900. Call me crazy, but again, just giving you guys my bullish thesis all the time and letting you guys know what I'm doing, and that's what it is, man. That's why I'm falling in love with this community day by day. Day by day, folks. SHIBARMY breaks everything that opens. Oh man, that's something we're amazing at, is breaking the internet. Look at Twitter, man. Let's go on Twitter for a little bit, see what we got going while we watch the bones grow. Also, from a previous stream, you guys saw that a lot of people really like the fact that I was buying, because I made a rule, right? Because you guys were overwhelming me with super chats almost every single day. And I said, you know what we're going to do, guys? What I want to start doing on these streams is all the super chats that come in are going to be dedicated for Shiba Inu. We're going to buy more SHIB tokens. Either we're going to stake it, do whatever. So just like for today's stream as well, just know that in total, hopefully, I know at the very beginning I didn't say it, but all super chats will be going to SHIB token, because when they panic, what do we do, guys? We pounce. Damien says, hola, Pop. Hola, ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás, Damien? Let's see. Let's go on Twitter and see what's happening on Twitter, folks. This has been such a fun stream, man. Honestly. So interactive. You guys helped me dig for the first time. Big shout out to the SHIBARMY. Oh, also, Voyager. Timeout. Quick timeout. Guys, Voyager is currently giving away 1 billion SHIB tokens. So if you don't know, Voyager is an exchange that recently has listed Shiba Inu, and they have been amazing, instrumental to our growth. We overwhelmed our entire exchange, but let's go ahead and talk about, let's go ahead and make sure we're in on this, and let's do what we got to do to be a part of this, because I want one of you all in the stream right now to get the opportunity to get this 1 billion tokens. One winner will get 1 billion, and then 10 lucky winners will get 10 million. So let's get it, folks. Singh Amit says, hi, Shiba family. I have 564,575.45 SHIB tokens. I don't want to bury or stake my SHIB coins because charge lots of gas fees. I love listening to you. You are the best. My man Singh, 100% my pleasure. Thank you so much for your kind words. You do not have to bury. You do not have to stake. Holding your tokens is just as valuable. You're not going to be, of course, making as much potential, but watch. Appreciation will also be there. Appreciation meaning that the token's price is going to also increase with time as long as things go as planned. We have a lot of catalysts, so Singh, salute to you. And thank you so much for the $10 super chat. I really appreciate your support. And thank you for letting us know. Brian Edwards dropping yet another $25 super chat. Thank you so much, Brian. He says, volume, your pop. That's why I keep super chatting you, because 1 billion SHIB gives you $10 million at 1 cent, which accounts for taxes, eventualities, etc. Use this money to improve your position. Brian Edwards, I got your back, man. We're dollar cost averaging in. I appreciate your support. We're going to keep increasing our Shiba Inu. I can't wait to reveal the day that I have 1 billion tokens. I know that's a lot of money. It's like almost $8,000, but it's going to be nothing compared to what the future has in store for us. And Brian, if you don't mind letting us know, what is your current position in Shiba Inu? I know you're extremely excited for the community and what the token has in store, but how's your position going, man? Right now in the chat, let me know. Be honest, guys. Be honest. What are your guys' positions like for Shiba Inu? What if, so let's go ahead and do this. Before you guys tell me your position sizes, let's go ahead and do this giveaway. To qualify, follow at Investor Voyager. So we're already following. Make sure you guys are doing that. Number 2, retweet and tag 3 friends. 1 lucky winner will get 1 billion SHIB. 10 lucky winners will get 10 million SHIB. Enter now to be top dog. So it says retweet and tag 3 friends. Let's go ahead and retweet. Quote tweet. I'm going to tag 3 friends. Who are 3 people in the chat right now? Give me your guys' Twitter names. I'm going to pick 3 random people and I'm going to retweet you guys. 200 million SHIB, 100 million SHIB, 300 million SHIB. I'm loving your guys' position sizes, man. 300 million, 300, 500, 200. Look at the SHIB army, man. You guys are deep. 2 billion SHIB. Yeah, fees are insane. If they don't fix that, people won't participate into Shiba Swap. Trust me when I say it. At Jason Cefantes, at Snow. Okay, I'm gonna pick the first 3 people. First 3. Hold on. The chat's going crazy. Snow at Snow Fia. I think it is here. Which one is you? At Snow FIA. Is this you? I want to make sure I don't mess up. Joseph. Let me know if this is you, Joseph. If not, I'll change the name. At Jason Cefantes. Got you, bro. And who else? Let me make sure we get the top 3. The top 3. At Snowfia. Vroom, my SHIB. Let's see. Paco Flower. Here we go. Paco Flower, I think, was the next. I'm tagging 3 friends from the chat. Paco Flower, I think this is you. Let me know right now. Did I get the right people? Where's Joseph? At Mr. Snowfia. There you go. All right. Hashtag SHIBARMY. Hashtag Voyager. Everybody right now, use me as one of your friends. Make sure you guys retweet and let's get this thing going. I want one of you all to be the 1 billion SHIB. If I win 1 billion, I don't know. I'm gonna just give. So what I'm gonna do is if I win the 1 billion somehow, some way, and I'm the lucky #1 winner, I'll take out my position to 1 billion tokens and anything extra that I have. So the 200 or 300 million, I'll just be giving back to you all. That's gonna be the deal. Hashtag Voyager. Let's go SHIBARMY. Tweet. Let's get it, family. I want you guys to be a part of that. Let's freaking go, says Jason. Let's go, man. The energy is amazing here today. Whew. Bringing the SHIB Academy. Let's go. Let's go. Brother, I tagged you earlier. Oh, you did, CM? Let me go check. Notifications. Mentions. Snowfia. Let's go. Shannon Chapman. Let's go. Raul De Jesus. Let's go. At Investor. So Infinite Money Coin. If you're in the chat right now, make sure you retweet this post. Don't just at us. But loving it, man. Bless up. Let's go. Moy. Let's go. Look at this, man. Look at this. When preparation meets opportunity. And I see some people from half an hour ago. Netherlands. Yatin. Big shout out to the folks, man. Let's get it. Man, Voyager. Intelligent. That's a very brilliant way to get things trending. 3,000. How many people? Hold up. How many? Where's Voyager? The initial. They have 3,409 likes, 2,837 retweets, and 1,000 quoted tweets. Wow. Big shout out to the Voyager team, man. They're working strong with the SHIB army, and they've been growing rapidly because of it. And that's what happens. Anyone that partakes in this community sees a lot of success their way. And that's what I love so much about it, man. That's what I love so much about it. So if you haven't already, make sure you guys be a part of it. If I don't win, I wish someone who needs it gets it. You know what I mean. Joseph Valdez, man. Beautiful words. Same here. I just want someone to win that's in the chat. That would make me extremely happy if somebody wins the money from this chat tonight. because that'd just be fantastic. Enter now. All right. Awesome. How are we looking price action wise? Trading sideways, huh? 7.9s have just been where we've been kind of hanging out all night. 7.9s. Let's see. We want to look up some indicators. You guys know last night we pulled up some indicators, and I want to look at the relative strength index real quick. RSI is my personal favorite relative strength index. So right now we are at around 45 or 50. So kind of where we want to be honest. Anything over 70, overbought. Anything below 30 is oversold. So again, that's what I have for you. Kanwar US Awala says, hey Pop, a respectful question for you. If everyone is staking their SHIB and expected to gain BONE in return, and some are straight up swapping their SHIB to BONE, then why isn't BONE's price going up? Kanwar is asking a very, very, very good question. So I feel like, again, for me, to be 100% honest, Kanwar, I'm not understanding why. What I'm seeing, again, this is what I'm thinking, is what people are doing is there was a significant sell-off in BONE after the first day that it was in circulation. We saw it go from literally $8 to $9, $10, $20, $30, $40, $50, $60, $70. It went up 800%. And then we saw an insane sell-off. And I don't know if anyone has access to an Etherscan or could see why we saw people pull out so heavily. But it really didn't make much sense to me, Kanwar. It really didn't. So I think, again, what I'm waiting to see for the short term and long term is whether or not, because now more is coming into circulation, if that makes sense too, Kanwar. So we have 250 million that are out there, but for the first time it's getting minted. So as more people are swapping for BONE and also getting it as rewards, we're seeing more come into circulation. So the supply is increasing while the demand is probably also increasing. So we're not really seeing, maybe it's at an equivalent pace or equivalent speed to the point where it's not really starting to show. At some point, when all the BONE is now in circulation in different people's wallets, in the exchange, wherever, that's because it's only 250 million total circulating supply. We got to make sure we understand that. And if it's at $5 a piece, $5 a piece, 250 million. If we just do the quick math there, what is that? $1.25 billion worth that is in circulation. Really, I think we're going to slowly but surely start seeing BONE's price go up as finally more and more are minted and actually in circulation. Because now it's just a lot of supplies finally coming in. Hope that makes sense. But again, that's just my take. Not 100% certain. I asked some of the others and they keep saying the kind of similar, people have similar sentiments. So Joseph Valdez says, beautiful explanation right there. My pleasure, man. Kashif says at Europop, because BONE is still being minted, simply the supply is increasing. It's inflationary for now. Kashif, exactly what I said, and exactly, man. I think we're on the same boat. So again, Kanwar, I hope that kind of makes sense, because right now, I guess, as he said too, pro-inflationary for the time being until we have enough in circulation. Shiba Inu Gaming says, sell or hold Shiba? Based off your name, I think you know the answer. But I can't tell you whether to buy or sell, but I'm telling you right now, I am buying, holding, buying, holding, buying, holding. The Prince Vegeta, we need Shiba to rise in price. Patience, man. I'm being patient, but the time will come. Trust me, that time will come. That's one thing that I am pretty sure about. Brandon Tatum, I told Shaitoshi to retweet you in regards to Voyager. That would be epic. And that's Charlotte. That would be insanity. The developer of the swap. The thing is, Shaitoshi and I actually get to talk here and there. And by the way, guys, I'm gonna send out a tweet. So if you're not following me on Twitter, make sure you do so. I'm gonna send out a tweet to kind of talk about the plan for a Q&A. So Shatoshi's pretty busy getting BONE listed on exchanges and things alike. But what I want to start doing for you all is I would really like to start building questions that we can ask Shaitoshi, and then he can give us direct answers. It could be related to the swap, gas fees, that kind of thing, because I know people have been asking about those. But if you guys want to talk about that, let me know, and I'll definitely mention it to Shitoshi so we can get some of those answers ASAP. And again, that was Brandon Tatum. So Brandon, thank you so much for your super chat, man. I do appreciate it. Much love, Brandon. I've seen you in the previous streams too, so big shout out to you. Get a sip of water. Water's so good, man. Formless, tasteless, smooth. What is Bruce Lee's line? Be water, my friend. Where can I find Bone? You can find Bone directly on ShibaSwap, fam. Click swap tokens, and then you can swap Shib for Bone if you'd like. You could swap Ethereum for Bone if you'd like. It's really just there, directly from your wallet. So just make sure you pair your wallet with the swap. Trading view. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. Sideways movement. Lots of sideways movement. When Chad, says Jason. We were supposed to do it this morning, but again, really the tragedy that struck my community and family kind of threw me off. So I didn't want to have, like, you know, those not so positive vibes while I was on for the first time with Chad. So hopefully this weekend, either Saturday or Sunday, we'll find a time together. Saturday, my wife and I are looking to go shopping, actually, to buy some things for the official studio. Yes, you guys heard it here first. We are currently making a studio in our little apartment, so it's pretty exciting, man. Really excited for you guys to see it. Slowly but surely collecting. We're going to have a nicer background. It's going to have some Shiba Inu stuff. Also looking at making a P.O. box so we can have some of your guys' things that you guys want to send over as a part of the background. Because I know there's a lot of creators here. There's a lot of people who do design. The SHIBARMY is very talented. So when Studio says fattest, studio incoming soon, my man. 2 to Neptunes dropping a $20 super chat. My man, thank you so much for your support. He says, at your pop, how do you think the Crypto.com partnerships with UFC and F1 will affect the price of SHIB? Especially with the amount of visibility it will provide, as well as the new money that may end up pouring into crypto. So UFC and F1. I did not even hear about that yet. So UFC and F1 partnership with Crypto.com. Let's check it out. I know that's going to be huge, though. This is crazy. I can't believe I didn't even know about this. Let's go ahead and read about it to the Neptunes. Paco Fowler, thank you, brother, for the link on Twitter. Paco, my pleasure, man. I hope you get that 1 billion, or anybody from the chat 1 billion. If not, at the very minimum, one of you guys getting the 10 million SHIB tokens. So To the Neptunes is putting us on, man. UFC and Crypto.com announced a historic partnership. This is directly from UFC.com. Accept cookies. What is happening in the world, man? This is phenomenal. Crypto.com becomes the first ever global official fighting kit partner of UFC. What? Why did I not hear about this? July 7th, that's 2 days ago. Crypto.com also named the first ever official cryptocurrency platform partner of UFC. Hong Kong and Las Vegas, July 7th. The UFC, the world's premier mixed martial arts organization, and Crypto.com, the world's fastest growing crypto platform, which it really is. And I think the fact that they listed Shiba Inu on it early on definitely contributed to that growth. Today announced a historic long-term partnership that represents an evolutionary step in both branding of both companies and Crypto.com's latest strategic move to connect with mainstream customers. So, my nose is running, I'm sorry. But To the Neptune says, what do I think of this partnership? My man, anytime we can get mainstream media attention, especially with something like UFC. If you guys, just real quick here, let's Google. How many UFC viewers viewership Not how many, I should say UFC viewership. But regardless, it looks like, according to Nielsen ratings, so we're just looking at MMAfighting.com, the UFC 261 prelims aired on ESPN at 8 p.m. ended up with 951,000 viewers on average. 951,000 with a demographic of 18 to 49-year-olds. So about 1 million people watching UFC, it looks like, on any given individual match. Probably some bigger, if it's Conor McGregor fighting. I'm sure we're going to see a lot more people watching if compared to, or like Khabib, right? Let me know right now in the chat, who's your guys' favorite UFC fighter? I like Khabib a lot. Or MMA, mixed martial arts, whichever. But about 1 million people. So again, mainstream media attention is always, always, always to the Neptunes going to help us out. So I think long term, it's going to give us some positive price action, because more and more individuals are going to start recognizing, okay, what is this crypto.com thing? So the fact that it's going to be a part of the platform, you saw what happened with Floyd Mayweather and Logan Paul fight. Square SQ was all over in terms of branding and marketing. And a lot of people started looking at, like, what is this whole Square thing? New people started utilizing the platform. The stock price actually bumped up after the fight. So I think it's going to be something extremely positive. We got Francis, I think it's Ganu is the pronunciation, Naganu, and Komaru are my guys, says Gareth. And we got Conor McGregor fan, Zane. WEBULL listed Shiba Inu. So Robinson, so what they did was WEBULL actually listed Shiba Inu's chart, which could be a sign that they're looking to list Shiba Inu officially. There's no current word yet, but just so you guys are aware, if that actually ends up being an official listing, that is going to be insane, folks. WEBULL has over 11.8 million accounts right now. You guys know I'm an affiliate of WEBULL's, and I love WEBULL because of the fact that they offer you all 2 free stocks when you deposit your first $5 if you click the link in the description and the chat. But aside from that, it is my main trading brokerage for my stock portfolio because I love it. It's very user friendly. It's good. You can now buy fractional shares, all the positivity. So if you haven't already, make sure you guys click the link. Look at you have till July 20th to get 2 free stocks. Look at me trying to talk Scottish. 2 free stocks when you deposit $5 into your account. How many of you have $5 right now laying around your house? In your wallets, in your pocket? Take your $5, deposit your money. Why SHIBARMY? Why do I continue to push this? It's because typically on a regular month, so I've been a partner of theirs since February till now, they typically make you deposit $100 to get your second free stock, which is valued up to $8 to $2,000. Now, the offer for July is $5 needs to be deposited for you to get up to $2,000. And I'm not telling, whatever stock you end up getting, if it's $8, if it's $2,000, you could sell it, take your money, and buy Shib with it. You could buy a gift for your wife, a gift for your husband, whatever you want. The fact is, it's free money, folks. So please take advantage. And they might be listing Shiba Inu. The chart went live today, or yesterday maybe, on WEBULL. So Shiba Inu might get listed. Please, 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 if you want to support the channel, if in any way, shape, or form, click the link in the description or in the chat. I appreciate you guys so, so much. And my goodness, we just hit 800 Satoshi units. Let's hold, man. Let's hold. Let's see this thing pump. Let's see it. My goodness, man. And Gene Lewis, I don't want to miss these super chats, says, if I'm doing SHIB with wrapped Ethereum and liquidity, how long do I keep the wolf tag open to see bone rewards? So for me, when I went on here, it was not instantaneous, but it took a few minutes before we started noticing on the wolf page that I started getting some returns. We're approaching that $5. That we're almost at a full bone, guys, from the digging. Let's go. I'm excited. I'm so excited. When I get one bone, that's a milestone for me. Today was the first day I started digging, so it hasn't even been an hour yet. But we're at, well on our way, almost at 0.3 bone. Let's go. Brandon Tatum dropping another $5 super chat. He says, not a personal fan of Dorsey, but if he integrates crypto with Square correctly, it could be insane with crypto. Everyone uses Square. I actually really like Jack Dorsey, but Brandon, that's what I really appreciate you giving us your opinion. But again, Brandon Tatum, I think the fact is that the potential is huge. He already has Bitcoin on his platform, but other altcoins on the way. That would be absolutely phenomenal. That would be absolutely phenomenal. And something I want to look at is actually what are all the cryptos that are currently offered on Square platform. We can check it out. Brian Edwards with the $25 super chat. Brian, he says, I use a ratio 1 billion SHIB to 1 leash to 200 bone. Rinse and repeat. Only 17% of U.S. adults are invested in crypto, and memes are a friendly way to gain mass adoption. I covered the roulette wheel in case I'm wrong. My man, love it, bro. Love it. 1 billion to 1 leash to 200 bone. I use the ratio. That's in my opinion, that's a fantastic ratio. I love it. 100%. Very diversified, keeping yourself across all the assets within the SHIB platform. So Bryant, man, I really pray and hope that we all collectively as a SHIB army see some fantastic gains through the year 2021, 2022, 23, 24, 25, and let the years pass by. Year by year, bigger and bigger portfolios to come. So thank you for sharing, Bryant. And again, thank you for all your support tonight and all the other nights too. You've been nothing but phenomenal. So thank you so much. And then we got the Prince Vegeta. Think WBCB, RH, eToro are waiting for the audit. So WEBULL, Coinbase, Robinhood, eToro are currently waiting for the audit report, which is tomorrow. So Prince Vegeta, that could be very, very much valid. I don't think that's far-fetched at all. So again, thank you so much for your super chat and your little comment there. And Jared Murray says, I honestly have so much conviction of something huge with this. And while waiting, tons of passing income to be made on the swap. Let's go, Army. Absolutely, Jared. I'm right there with you. At the very least right now, it's that if you want to just start seeing a little bit of ROI, the best part is you can do things like staking. And you guys are seeing it live right here. I'm almost at a full bone. And we literally bought this. How many minutes ago has it been, guys? Not too long ago. It's been only a few minutes. Love to see it, man. Gotta love to see it. Gotta love it. Chat has been on fire tonight, though, huh? You guys have been great, man. Still waiting for Coinbase Pro, of course, the technical issues. Does total volume locked on Shiba Swap include leash and bone or just SHIB? Total volume locked. All three assets, Vince. All three assets. Your pop, how many SHIB tokens do you get when you stake? I don't know yet. So I'm going to wait for the 7-day period and I'll show you guys how much so right now what I have staked in the platform. Let's quickly go over to the swap. I have 112,014,919 tokens staked. So once the 7-day period is over, the initial 7-day rewards are put in, I'll definitely show you guys exactly what I've made. Because if you click this little FAQ thing to read more about varying tokens. So it says here, ShibaSwap allows you to stake tokens to earn WOOF returns proportionally to your contribution to the pool. When you stake SHIB, leash, or bone, you'll receive X leash, X SHIB, or T bone. Those tokens represent your share of the pool. One thing you guys want to make sure you understand is when you stake SHIB in your earnings, you're rewarded by getting bone, SHIB, and Ethereum. You get 3. And it says 3% of all bone, ticker symbol bone per block, part of the 0.05% swap fees in SHIB, 0.1% of all swap fees in the Ethereum transaction fees. So none of that is truly important. What we want to see is what is the actual amount of bone and SHIB we will be earning. And for me, it's going to be we're going to take the amount that I have here, 112 million, and I'm going to give you guys directly how much I made in 7 days. And hopefully we continue to see that. But right now we are part of the liquidity event. So making sure we understand that pretty well. Where do you see XSHIB? It should be in your wallet, Lane, directly in your wallet. So when I pull up my wallet, my Coinbase wallet, and I click it, it says right now I have, shows my SHIB Ethereum, my Bone, of course, and it also shows my XSHIB and Shiba Swap LP token, the liquidity pool token. So all of your assets should show up on your wallet. BitGo Drive, my man, BitGo Drive. How are you doing? He says, what's up, my man? I just joined. What did you dig? I digged, let's see here, under Woof. I have Bone and wrapped Ethereum together. We created it into, we put it into the liquidity pool. So we're watching these bones grow. I did it probably, I don't think it's even been an hour yet. I did it more than halfway in the stream at this point. So we're just watching some returns, man. Thank you for joining BitGo Drive. Appreciate your support, my man. If you have MetaMask, you need to add the coin. Does XSHIB have an address? It does. We can pull up Discord real quick to show you. So if you guys aren't part of the Shiba Inu Discord, it's in the description here. So if we go to, where am I? Here we are, Shib. I think it's under announcement, Wolf, maybe. No. Lesser announcements, maybe? Give me a sec. Somewhere on this Discord, you'll see all the wallet addresses. I'll find it at some point. Here it is. Official contract IDs. If you go on the Discord, you're going to see them right there. And you can see XSHIB has an address, SHIB has an address, Leash, XLeash, Bone, and T-Bone. Those are the contract IDs. So yes, the answer is yes to that. Little Falker. You can Google all the contract addresses of XSHIB, XBone, SSLP if they don't auto-populate. Thank you so much, Little Falker, for the $5 super chat and your support, man. I think it's the first time I've seen your name, but welcome to the chat, my friend. Welcome, welcome. But yeah, that's from Trophius, one of the administrators on the Discord. We need to see a technical breakout, folks. Or good sentiments. Good news is always one way to see a breakout, but technicals, the bulls come out always at certain time points. Let's go back to looking at this. By the way, how many of you guys actually use TradingView? Outside of relative strength index, what are your other indicators that you like to see? We gotta log in. Meh. Let's just go Twitter. Authorize app. Redirecting you. Okay. Something that I always like to also look at when it comes to certain indicators, by the way, guys. So the thing I like about TradingView, just a side note here, is there's this little indicators tab. So indicators, basically, again, what we're looking at with all these different lines and all that shebang is what we are currently looking at, the estimated moving averages. Estimating moving averages kind of tell you where are we going. If we're trading above or below, that's kind of what you can determine as, is that a bullish sign? Is that a bearish sign? That kind of thing. So right now, honestly, let's look at also consolidation here. Let me see. EMA, estimated moving average. Real hidden trends. No, I don't want to. I do not want a free trial. Anywho, we're, as I showed you guys, right now it looks like, again, below all the moving averages, which is, again, in my opinion, that's why I keep pouncing, especially these days, is the fact that we are trading below. BitGo Drive says, don't forget to hit that like button to support. Absolutely. If you haven't already, please smash the like button. We're already at 648 likes. Much love, SHIBARMY. You guys are honestly all so phenomenal. Appreciate all your guys' support, man. Exponential moving average. There you go. Yeah, I said estimated moving average. So exponential, there's the EMA. So usually we look at what I like to see for indicators, especially for stocks more so than crypto, because crypto is so volatile based off news. There's just so much going on. But really with any moving average, I kind of just like to look at it and say, okay, does this look like it's a good entry point? If you want to look at it from that way, the relative strength index, also something that I always look at. Anything over 70, overbought. Anything under 30 is oversold. So if we look at RSI, why is it not letting me? Relative strength index. Here we are. We were below, when was this? July 8th, yesterday even. We broke below the relative strength index at 799. We were below 30. So if you pounced, you pounced. Man, when will they list SHIB on Coinbase? Toshi is shy. Toshi. I gave you guys, for all those of you who are new, real quick, Coinbase, Robinhood, and WEBULL listing this year. Wahoo. This is my opinion. Shiba Inu was delisted. I gave this spiel on yesterday's stream, but I have a very, very strong sense that next week we will see Shiba Inu listed on Coinbase Pro. I can almost say that I'm 100% sure. Why am I so certain, guys? Right? That's what people are going to want to know. Your pop. How and why are you so certain, man? Well, it's because, real quick, if we go to Coinbase Pro, and again, for those of you who were on yesterday, my apologies, but we got to make sure everybody's on, man. We got to make sure everybody's on. 909 says, these guys want to be rich in a day. Rome wasn't built in a day. Be patient, patience, patience, patience. Love it, my friend. Much love. So let's scroll down. If we look at May, when was it? SOL. Right here. May 20th, 2021. So a couple months ago, SOL was listed on Coinbase. Okay? Coinbase Pro. The next day, it was delisted due to technical issues that will temporarily delay the launch of SOL on Coinbase Pro. Same exact error message that we got for SHIB. Now, 21st, Coinbase Pro delisted. SOL. June 16th. 21st to the 16th, 25 days later, approximately, actually 26 days, they relisted it. Aha. And then 24 hours after that, it was listed on regular old Coinbase. Now, let's keep going. SHIB, June 15th, listed on Coinbase Pro. June 17th. On June 16th, the next day, we were experiencing technical difficulties. Pulling back. I need to sneeze, guys. Excuse me. My apologies. So, June 16th, delisted. If we're looking at 25 days later from June 16th, if it follows SOL's timeline, what would that mean, guys? June 16th, 7, 14, 21, 22, 23, 24 days tomorrow, 25 days on Sunday, 26 days on Monday. Monday, July 12th, I anticipate that Coinbase Pro will relist SHIB. Maximum by Wednesday, the 14th, we're going to see it. Remember, you heard it here first on the stream. You heard it here first from me. Okay? Can you check to see if SOL got a spike after the announcement? Definitely, we can look at it. Grumshin with a $5 super chat. Thank you so much. Someone in the Discord today mentioned you have been talking to Shytoshi and that Certic audit should be approved tomorrow. Is this true? It's not an official Certic audit being approved. It's that the report should be announced tomorrow. The report should be published tomorrow, Saturday. That's the anticipation. So again, I'm not getting any definitives, but he's just telling me, just as a quick reminder in terms of the audit report and the anti-FUD articles should be released tomorrow, July 10th. Stephen Blair says, I think SHIB will go up after liquidity event. Great stream, Ahmed, my man. Great army. Hashtag SHIBARMY. Hashtag SHIB to the moon. Hashtag Ahmed to the moon. Hashtag Montreal SHIBARMY. My man, Stephen Blair. Thank you so much. Hashtag Stephen Blair to the moon. Now, he says, he asked, check if SOL was spiked in price after it was relisted on Coinbase Pro. For sure. June 16th, 2021. SOL. Solana. June 16th is what we're looking at. So it was probably from $38. It went up to, looks like after the announcement through the 17th to 41. So it went up to 14-ish%, 14-15%. So it did have some nice price action. We saw a pretty bad sell-off for it though, all the way back to 21 as the market pulled back. But now it's decent recovery, kind of consolidating, even lower than it was before the listing. So again, bear markets really do affect the potential gains that we have in certain cryptocurrencies. So what I'm hoping is for Shiba Inu is that as soon as the announcement is made that we're going to get relisted on Coinbase Pro, I'm hoping the overall market is also bouncing back because green days are important for good news. If good news happens on a red day, it's not going to affect as much as, it's not going to have the same effect as good news on a green day, of course. Jared Murray dropping the $5 super chat as well. He says, truly a magical coin, spent the mortgage money on it, and my wife disappeared. Oh, man, hold up. Hey, Jared, I got to take a picture of that, man. This is like one of the funniest things I've seen. Jared Murray with the comedy. I need to take a picture of that. It's truly a magical coin. Spent the mortgage money on it and my wife disappeared. Oh, man. It's funny because I'm married. And, oh, man. That's hilarious. That's actually funny. Oh, man. Had to send that one to Rigor Mortis. He's going to crack up. JMC. Sorry, just popped on. What is the liquidity event? What is this liquidity event? JMC. For 14 days after the swap released, it's a 10x event. So any bones that you collect or you get as a reward is multiplied by 10. Anything minted is a 10x reward right now during the duration of the liquidity event. So there it is, my man. Teme TL coming back on the super chats. Thank you so much, man, for the $5 super chat. And of course, JMC to you as well. He says, hey, your pop. Hope all is well. I PM'd you on Twitter just asking your advice on how much I should stake. How much percentage of my portfolio? Teme, not a financial advisor, my friend. So I tell everybody the same thing. You stake as much as you want to stake. For me, I have about 70% that's staked / also in dig of my total crypto. And I'm looking to continue to do more. For me, honestly, at this point, I don't see why not do nearly all. Again, just my opinion. You don't have to do what I do, but I'm looking to potentially just get all of it into staking instead of keeping any liquid. I don't see why not at this point anymore. So yeah, man. And shout out to Teme, man, coming in hot. Brandon Tatum dropping the $5 super chat. Don't invest what you can't set on fire is my motto. Don't invest what you can't set on fire. Love it, man, Brandon. I love it. Love that motto. And we got a couple new elite members in the chat. Manuel Gomez, welcome to the Your Pop Elite membership, my friend. Thank you so much for partaking in it. And also Brandon Tatum becoming a Your Pop Elite member. My man, Brandon. Thank you so much, man. Everybody, thank you for your guys' love and support. Continuous love and support. It's been honestly nothing but overwhelming. So thank you all. The channel is growing at an insane rate. Look at this. Where are we at right now? We're at 56,500 at the beginning of the stream. Where are we at right now? 56,600 subscribers, guys. By the end of 2021, as we see SHIB continue to flourish and grow, I truly believe that we will see that 100,000 milestone. And you guys know that it's not just for me. That 100K is representing the entire Shiba Army, the entire Shiba Inu community. So salute to every single one of you guys, man. Much love. Thank you guys for all your love and support. Can't thank you enough. Believe me, I really can't. And we got Angel Perez dropping the super sticker, super chat. The $5 super chat with the Shiba Inu. He says #1. Thank you so much, Angel, for all your support and love, man. You guys are all so phenomenal. Shib Army, much love to all of you guys, man. Looks like we're getting into that buy zone too again. My goodness. Looks like we're entering it. We got Michael Hedgie. Morning. What was the stock I just saw? I missed a possible investment. No, it's not an investment. I was just showing SOL. We were looking at the price action after it was relisted on Coinbase, because it was the same thing as Shiba Inu. SOL was delisted and then relisted thereafter. So, yep. I listen to your videos early morning, says Brandon Tatum. Even when I'm feeling fear, uncertainty, and doubt, you deserve it. Brandon, man, thank you so much. Really, all I'm happy to do, I can't even talk. I'm just glad my channel can bring you guys smiles. I'm glad that this content can just, keep you up even when the market is down, because really, the last couple months have been pretty rough to stomach. We're not seeing the green that we would love to see. But again, I'm just here to share with you guys my perspective, my thoughts, and I hope that we continue to see this, man. I hope we continue to see it. Green positivity moving forward. Austin McCarty becoming a Europop Elite member as well. My goodness, guys, we have 8 new Elite members just today on the chat, which is insane. So thank you so much, Austin McCarty. Really, I really appreciate everybody that is deciding to do this. So thank you. And we're at 700 likes on the stream. Much love, Shib Army. Much love. And Teme says, how do I become a member? People ask all the time, and really, I can't. And it's completely 110% optional. You guys just being here, liking, and watching the stream means more than enough to me. But again, it's something that YouTube does offer to bigger content creators, and somehow I'm considered a bigger one now because of you, Shib Army. We're over 50,000 subs, 56,000. But there's this join button now on my channel, which if you click join here, you become just a supporter of the channel, and it gives you this little badge. And again, for month 1, everyone gets a green badge because that's the start, and then it becomes different colors the longer you're a member. Now, one thing I'm working on right now is we're creating a new logo for the channel. So all these emblems are going to be changed to something more Shiba Inu related and more Europop related as well. So these will soon change to something else, but for right now, these are the badges that come with it. So really, again, guys, I can't say thank you enough. Much love, Shiba Army. You guys are all rock stars. So thank you, thank you, thank you. BitGo Drive. Oh my goodness, dropping the $50 super chat. Why, man? Thank you so much. But why? That's too much, my friend. Let me help you with the logo, says Pedro. Man, of course. Right now, someone's helping me from the Shib Army. But really, I just can't say thank you enough. BitGo Drive. Thank you for your support, BitGo Drive. If you guys don't know who BitGo Drive is, honestly, so he has a luxury car lot. I think it was in New Jersey, if I'm not mistaken. But BitGo Drive is really, his support has been unparalleled, and he's looking to accept Shiba Inu for his for the business that he runs. So again, he has a luxury car lot, and the fact that really, let's just give him a quick shout out, man. BitGo Drive, exotic cars. So when Lambo, right? A lot of you guys ask when Lambo. BitGo Drive might be your answer to when Lambo. Supports this journey. He supports Shiba Inu, who's a Shib Army member. Look at all this. He has a 1993 Ferrari, part of his lot. Ford GT, Maserati. And it looks like some of the things that we're looking at here are potentially BitGo Drive. Maybe you can explain, but it looks like maybe some are damaged vehicles that you end up restoring and then putting on sale. Or do you just sell them as is, as a salvage title? Exotic cars. He even has Lamborghinis, I'm pretty sure. My goodness. Smash the like button for the love of God. Smash, smash, smash it, says Ben Audi. Man, your guys' energy tonight. Hashtag bid go drive from Jason Cervantes. Absolutely. Hashtag bid go drive. Mars Bound says free Lambo. Hey man, let me know. Bid go drive. If you got an extra Lamborghini hanging around, I would love to have one. Thinking about selling SHIB. Some other tokens are going up higher. Sarah Klassen, you do what you got to do. I personally think there are way too many positive catalysts that are coming about for SHIB. So I don't think it's necessarily, for me, it's not the wise thing to do. But do what you got to do. Man, shout out to BitGo Drive though, honestly. Buying territory in my opinion. BitGo Drive answers the questions, where Lambo? Absolutely. Absolutely. Little Falker, what? A $100 super chat? Come on, man. That's way too much. That's way too much. We had this happen yesterday and people started competing on the chat, but oh my goodness, Little Falker. He said, who's your daddy? Oh my God. No. Thank you so much, Little Falker. That's hashtag Little Falker in the chat. Falker, man. That is insane, bro. Thank you so much for your support. Hashtag BitGo Drive. Hashtag Little Falker. My goodness, man. It almost sounds like I'm saying a bad word, but my apologies. I'm not. I'm just reading his name verbatim. Wow, man. Hashtag little. There it is. There's the hashtags coming. That's why I love the SHIB Army, man. You guys are insane. $100. Dude, thank you so much, man. Thank you so much. You're just helping me increase that position size in SHIB. The bigger the position, hopefully the more people also joining in. We're just going to continue to see. Man, I'm just speechless. Johnny Chan says, dang it. But not exactly. I can't even afford the gas fees. Hashtag I can't even afford the gas fees. Ben Audi, isn't that the truth, man? They are insane. I need to ask Shytoshi about that. I really do. I need to figure out how that's going to be addressed. I'm still shocked right now. Little Falker. 1 minute of patience, says Manuel Gomez. 10 years of peace. We're in this for the long haul. Un minuto de paciencia. Paciencia. Trust me, it's been a while since I learned Spanish. 10 años de paz. Estamos en esto a largo plazo. Man, love it. English and Spanish. Appreciate you, Manuel. Muchos gracias, man. Man, I'm still in shock. That's crazy. Really unexpected. Whew. Professor Goods, my SHIBs are stuck in Robinhood and Crypto.com. I'm missing out. Professor, I'm guessing you meant Crypto.com, right? Because Shiba Inu currently still not available on Robinhood. We're trying to get it listed on there. But, yeah. The way you got to do it, man, all you got to do is transfer it to a wallet and then get it in there. MetaMask or Coinbase wallet and then directly transfer it to the swap. So hopefully you can get it out of there ASAP, man. ASAP. Is it too late to buy SHIB? Shiba, who said that? Is it too late to buy Shiba? Car asks. Car. In my opinion, absolutely not. I bought some more today, and I'm looking to continue to buy more via DCA dollar cost averaging. My goodness, though, guys. Little Falker, BitGo Drive. Much love to you guys, man. Everybody else that's been in the chat. We've been right around 1,000 people the entire time. Friday night. I know a lot of people can go out, go for drinks, hang out with their friends, do whatever you want to do. But instead, you guys are spending your Friday night here with me on the stream, the entire SHIB Army. That's nothing beats that, man. Much love to you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys. I do appreciate it a lot. Trust me, it means the world to me. Brandon Tatum dropping another $5 super chat. He says, getting in a bidding war with a guy that sells Lambos for a living is pretty bold, my friend. Brandon Tatum. Yeah, I don't want this to happen on the stream, but man, that's the fun part about it. 839 people that are in the chat right now at midnight Central Time. Hashtag no more money for booze, says Stephen Belair. Investing, man. That's the beauty of investing, is that trying to invest into something that's going to build a future for you, that generational wealth, and passing up on drinking people start realizing, this is the thing. Let me digress for a second. The thing that I feel like I've been learning the most with investing is not when I go out, right? Tell me if you guys can't directly relate. Every time I go out now with my wife, when I go out with friends, with my family, and I look at things like, going out to eat, for example, and I look at the menu and I'm like, $40 for a meal? That's so much SHIB tokens. I'd rather buy some Shiba Inu with that instead. So I feel like you start becoming a lot more conscious of your spending and a lot more cognizant of how much things actually cost. So how many of you guys relate to that, man? Jason says hashtag your pop. Stephen Valera, hashtag your pop. Man, much love. Hashtag that is relatable, Richard says. And that's why they say, that my whole life I went about and I was like, it doesn't make sense to me. Why are millionaires frugal? Like, why don't they like spending money, right? Graham Stephan, multi-millionaire, big guy. But you see, like, he does not like buying coffee from Starbucks. He does. And I never understood that. But now in 2021, after becoming a lot more, focused on investing, I'm like, aha, now it all makes sense. So that's why they say to become a millionaire or to be a part of that is you have to spend as if you're, the rich spend as if they're poor and the poor spend as if they're rich. So absolutely 100% agree with that. Jason Cervantes says hashtag T-Dog. Hashtag T-Dog. Man, T-Dog's MIA today. I'm guessing he's resting, maybe with his family or hanging out. Fabio Kamal says WEBULL just put SHIB price. I hope soon it's going to be available for trading. Fabio, me too, man. I would love to see it. Being an affiliate of WEBULL, I've asked them, and they actually responded to me. I said, hey, the SHIB army is deep. You guys got to make sure you get this on your platform ASAP. And they responded. They said that we're going to look into it. We're going to talk to some of the people who are a part of that specific area, how they decide whether to list. Today, they actually listed Litecoin on WEBULL. So they're slowly but surely entering into the crypto space. And brokerages are coming to the realization that diversifying out of just the stock market into the crypto market as well is bringing in new investors. So that's big. Brandon Tatum, how do I relate to that? I had 200 on that buy and send. What was that? How do I relate to that? I had 200 on that buy and send and change it to $5. I'm buying SHIB. Absolutely, Brandon. Absolutely, man. And then we have, and thank you again for the $5 super chat, Brandon. Then we have Unmitigated Gall dropping the $5 super chat. He says 150 million buried and buying more. I feel like something big will happen for the community. Those who held strong, especially mysterious burn, maybe. Anything is possible. Really, anything is possible. But I think, again, hoping sooner rather than later. The month of July, leading up to August, even July 21st, after that big conference that's going to be held for Bitcoin, hope that's when we see the next bull run. That same bull run that we saw from the beginning of 2020, from March 2020, right? I want to see that exact same pace that we saw before. So when I say that and look at SHIB, let's quickly pull up CoinMarketCap. Look at the overall cryptocurrency market. Because we've seen the correction, right? And that's okay in my opinion. But look at the market. It went from a $300 billion market cap. Look at this. Slowly but surely saw gains over gains, but really, when it came to January 1st, 2021, we just saw beautiful price action. A few red days followed by a lot of green. A few red days followed by a lot of green. That was just, and I thought we were going to continue to see it until finally we saw the correction in May, mid-May. And again, guys, one of the big things that we need to realize, the reason for that correction, one of the big reasons for the correction, asterisk, make sure you guys understand that, is because of the fact that people were shifting their funds to the stock market. right? So if you're part of the streams, the daily streams, you guys know AMC is one thing that we talk about frequently. And this, I think, is 100% legitimate. Because look, when did AMC have its initial surge? Right? May, what was it? Right around May 20, May 18th, 19th. It went from $12 and it's squeezing right now because people are anticipating a short squeeze to come for AMC. If we go back and look at the overall crypto market, which is right here. Look when the pullback happened, guys. Middle of May through the 23rd. Literally, as crypto market pulled back, meme stocks started taking over and we started seeing the short squeeze. So as soon as short squeeze comes to an end, people take their profits. We're going to see people bounce right back into the crypto market and hopefully see that same level of excitement to come back to the stock market and to the crypto market and continue on for the rest of the year. And, we just continue to go from there. So let's see what happens, man. Seeing a little bit of a sell-off, 790. Are we going to break 790? If we do, man, it's time to pounce, folks. Probably going to buy even more. Call me crazy, but you guys know I keep buying more and more. So Jason Savant says, I think the only works with MetaMask and Coinbase wallets. I'm really happy that you guys are asking pretty good questions in the chat. Jason, I do appreciate you, by the way, responding very actively throughout as well. Mr. Street says, good night, Shib Army. Hashtag or HODL. Diamond hands, baby. Mr. Street, diamond hands, my man. Diamond hands. Juan says, best case scenario is huge market cap growth and coins being burnt. But I'll just take one of those right now. 100%. You hold an AMC, Randy? I am. Randy, I am. I don't know how many shares of AMC I have. I don't have that much, but I do have AMC. I could show you here. I have... Just going to check my portfolio. I've been holding AMC since right around, I think it was 20 bucks. Sold my initial position when it got to like 65 because I was like, this is insane. And I just kept my profits in there. And that's kind of my go-to investment strategy is I buy stocks or anything. And when I make my initial investment back, or if I double my money, I take my initial out and keep the rest in. Just because then I have no risk tolerance and I can set it and forget it. So it's kind of just my go-to all the time. For some reason, my portfolio is not opening right now, so that's not fun. But I want to say I have about 30-something shares of AMC. So maybe $1,200 to $1,500 currently in AMC. So Stephen Belair, good night. Thank you, my man. Thank you. Thank you. Have a good night. Rest easy. Hope you have sweet dreams. And it's 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock, guys. What do you guys think? That's a great strategy. Smart, says Ben Adi. Yeah, man. Thankfully, I got to learn from a lot of people. YouTube has been my best friend in terms of learning about the stock market, learning about finance, all these things. So that's why, I decided for myself to make a channel. And I'm so grateful for the fact that we've been growing at the pace that we have. So thankful for you guys. We're seeing a sell-off right now. We're seeing a sell-off right now. Let's look at entry points. Where's our next level of support? So we're at 789 right now. 785 would be a decent level of support for an entry point. 785, that's what we're looking for right now. See if we'll break it. If we do, I might buy in. The next support after that might be 775 or 771. So let's see what happens. Let's see where the sell-off goes. Jared Murray dropping the $5 super chat says, legend has it, if you make a pentagram out of $100 bills and buy 100 million Shiba at 3 a.m., Bill Gates will appear and kiss you in the mouth. Jared, man, you got all the jokes today. Oh, Jared said it, guys. Man, Nicole Marani dropping another $5 super chat also tonight. Jared and Nicole, man, you guys are going crazy. He says, DeFi, decentralized finance website. Pop, Shiba Swap holders, top holder. One wallet made over 800K in rewards from the swap. What? That is insanity, man. But I believe it. That's insane. That's crazy. It's crazy. Believable, but crazy. At your pop, you're the FUD tricking. Oh man, Aman Rizvi. Everyone can have their own opinion, to be honest. But the reason I spread all the information and everything I can with Shiba Inu is because I'm excited about it. I think it has some true potential. If there was FUD, right? Because people were saying that the swap wasn't going to be a real thing. If there was FUD, then why do we have things like Wolf right now? Why do we have things like the liquidity pool where our money is literally growing? Look at this. We're seeing real returns. People in Najat making $500 a day staking. That can't be overlooked. Just trying to put people on, man. Trying to put people on. And thank you, Jason. Jewel says, how do we see our bone again? You could see bone directly on the swap. So the bone folio is currently not available to look at your entire portfolio, but what you could do is you could click swap, and then you could see what your bone, how much bone you have left in the swap. So I have 14 bones just hanging out right now, but I'm looking to probably go ahead and dig those too. Or maybe I should stake them. I'll bury them. That's what I should probably do. How much bone can 10 mil SHIB get me? So bone right now is $5.30. So 10 million SHIB is how much? 10 million SHIB right now is approximately, what, $78? 78 US dollars, I think. So yeah, 78 US dollars. Looking at what? 14 or so bones? 15 bones? Jared Murray. Jared Murray says, how to get women to stop beating down my door after they heard I invested in Shiba. Sorry, thought this was Google last one. Oh man, hey, I've seen people on Twitter. I've seen the women on Twitter. A lot of them are pretty excited about Shiba Inu investors. They said, don't talk to me unless you're a Shiba Inu investor. So I love it, Jared. Jared, man, I gotta have you in my circle. I love the comedy. Love the comedy. Gotten Artist 210 dropping the $20 super chat. Thank you so much, my man. He says, thank you for being a great Shib brother. Appreciate the long work you do for the nation. While we work our day jobs, Texas appreciates you highly. Thank you so much, Gotten. Thanks, Shib holder or Shib brother, and thanks for taking care of the Shiblings. Just hodl, man. The Shiblings. I've never heard that one, but I love it. Thank you so much, Gotten, for the kind words, man, and the $20 super chat. All your support means a lot to me, of course. And yeah, man, I'm glad that I do too. I work my day job, right? You guys know I make the videos before I go to work, after I come back from work. And that's how it's been. That's how it's truly been. And actually, I do work tomorrow. I typically don't work on Saturdays, but I have to work tomorrow morning because they need me to come in. So I will be working for about half the day, not a full day, thankfully. And you guys know the big project that I'm working on right now is the studio. So if you guys have any ideas, please tweet me. Tweet at me. Send me any type of tweet saying, hey, got a cool out layout. Or if you found something cool on Pinterest, send me a picture. Let me know what you guys see, man. I've been working hard to figure out how to make this the most perfect studio setup that's very Shiba Inu related and also just kind of keeps people excited throughout. Something that's more appealing to look at. And even looking at a new camera. Lots of things, man. Lots of things. But again, Gotten Artist 210. Really appreciate you, man. So thank you. But yeah, that's how you do that. Let's see what's going on with Shiba Inu's price action. 789. $785. If we get to 785, that might be a decent entry point. Parnell gene pop between all these options in the swap. What is the best one? Parnell. So it seems like something that I didn't really pay attention to is I really like this right here, the bone and wrapped Ethereum. Your APR is 1004.19% because of the 10x returns. So right now I put some in here. I think it was, what is it, 0.88 liquidity pool tokens that I have as a combination of Ethereum and bone. And I'm almost at a whole bone, $5 made during the stream. So let's talk about passive income, right? One of the biggest things with investing is getting passive income. And this is passive income. I'm not doing anything. Put money in, watching it grow. So gotta love it. But I'm also burying at the same time. I have 112 buried right now. I'm staking it, trying to see what we get in return. Hopefully in the next 7 days, we'll see what those rewards are. So again, do what you gotta do. But yes, so you have to dig. It's not just going into Wolf and then farming. That's not how that works. You gotta dig, create a pair, Ethereum and bone. Go ahead and put how much you're able to, and then enter. And then you're gonna hit supply here. It's gonna take a few minutes. I did it all on the stream. You can go back and kind of watch the step by step how we did it, because I learned for the first time too today. Set up the pair, click supply, and then after you finish that part, then you go to Wolf, and then go ahead and deposit the liquidity pool token in here, and that's how you watch it grow. So right now I'm at 0.65 bone, and again it's been about probably an hour. So it's not amazing money because I don't have enough in. But if I had, say, $10,000 that I was putting here, or even $1,000, I'd probably see a lot more board coming in. People were saying they're getting anywhere between, someone said 100 bones a day, which is about $500 a day, which is insanity in my opinion. Insanity. Smokes. First approve, then you deposit. First approve, then you deposit. Exactly what Muhammad said down there. So yeah, we did it all on the stream today, step by step, which again, I don't know. It was probably at the 1 hour-ish mark is what I would say. Wow, we've been live for 3 hours, folks, believe it or not. SHIBARMY, you guys keep me up, man. You guys give me too much energy. And for that, I'll always be forever grateful. So thank you. 764 likes on the stream. Smokes. SHIBARMY is crazy. Love the channel. No hopium, just facts. Pop, keep it up, bro. Arthur Linton, my pleasure, man. Thank you so much for the kind words. It's 10 p.m. in LA. I need to move to Los Angeles. I know. Do you guys have room over there? I need to move over. I love the Western Standard Time. I have family in Los Angeles. I have family in that area. And I think it's a great place to be, man. It's a great place to be. Looking at potentially getting some more Ethereum. You guys, I'm so tempted to just keep looking or buying. How much return do you think? How much return do you think you'll get from burying in 7 days? I don't know. It's going to be big question marks. But as soon as I find out, I'm going to put you guys on and let you know. But up until this point, not quite sure yet. Come down to San Diego. Oh my goodness, Christian, you live in San Diego? San Diego is the most beautiful, beautiful city in America, in my opinion. The finest city of America. I went to La Jolla. I've been to, because I went down from like the Anaheim area. We went south to San Diego. And my goodness, I loved it. One of those little birds, the little things that you could ride. Man, it was so much fun. Such the view of the ocean. And we saw the seals in La Jolla, all the seals that came out at night. The memories, man. Shout out to California. Beautiful state. Oceanside is nice. Aldo? Absolutely. Love Cali, man. When will we 40x, says Jason. Time will tell, man. I really can't say this or that, but in my opinion, it's just I'm just trying to see what time shows, right? All the catalysts are coming. Coinbase Pro listing, Coinbase, the B Word conference in 11 more days. It's officially July 10th. Today, hopefully, the audit report's going to come out. Lots of good things coming, man, for the SHIB army. Lots of good things. Parnell says, so if I dig 250 million tokens, SHIB tokens, how many bones will I get? In my opinion, Parnell, it might be even better to actually dig bone and Ethereum instead of digging SHIB. You could do either, but in terms of APY, you can kind of see what they have on their website. So if you click Wolf, so if you're going to do SHIB and Ethereum, you're going to get 75% returns. Leash and Ethereum, 234%. But Bone and Ethereum, 1,000%. So this one here is going to yield the most, it seems, out of all. So again, I think I would swap your SHIB for Bone if you're looking to dig. That's just my opinion. Can't tell you what to do, but just my opinion, of course. If it wasn't for you, Ahmed, I'd have sold a long time ago, but the positive energy in your videos and optimism kept me diamond hands. Muhammad, so glad that I could be that person for you. But again, all I could do is put you guys on the plays that I'm in. And I'm holding strong. Slide to Hawaii, brother, says Jason Chu. Man, Jason, I would love to. I've never been to Hawaii, but I would be more than happy to come visit. Just got to save up some money for a small vacation like that. I want to go somewhere, maybe like Hawaii or any remote area, if you will. Away from just the loud city vibe, that kind of thing. Watching you from Romania, it's 8 in the morning. Shout out to Romania, man. Wow. The SHIB Army, the International SHIB Army. Big shout out, man. That's awesome. How much should I dig to make $200 a day? William, I'm not sure, to be honest. I'm not sure exactly the amounts. All I know right now is I don't have much that I'm digging. I'm going to definitely do more, but I've made about a bone. I don't know. It's probably like $2.50 an hour. It seems like this is my returns during the liquidity event, because right now it's the 10x liquidity event for the first 2 weeks, which after that it's going to go down substantially, but it's substantially, not too much, but still a decent amount. Whatever it is, divide by 10, I think, is the idea. Bone and Ethereum is where it's at right now. Totally agree. Totally agree. I made my first $600 a couple days with Bone Ethereum in a couple days. Bino Bang says, "Let's go, Bino. How much do you have? How much do you have invested in?" So am I supposed to change my Shiba for Bone after that dig? After that dig Bone and Ethereum? Parnell says, so am I supposed to change my SHIB for Bone after that dig that Bone and Ethereum? Precisely. I think you said that exactly right. According to my understanding. Come to the Philippines, man. Wilbur says come to the Philippines. I would love to. I have friends from the Philippines. I know a couple things. What is it? Naliko ka na ba? Hindi pa. And then what is it? Paret mo? I know a little bit of Filipino. Naliko ka na ba? Naliko ka na ba I think means like, did you take a shower, or are you going to take a shower? Or are you showered? Hindi pa. And then paret mo is like, I don't know, something. Correct me if I'm wrong, Wilbert, but I would be down. I'd be down to come to the Philippines. Pop, this is my first live chat, but I have been following you for at least 6 months. So grateful for you. Blessings. Reed Hamilton. That means a lot to me, man. Thank you so much for your kind words. And welcome to the live stream, man. It's late. We've been live for 3 hours and 8 minutes. Oh my goodness, guys. SHIB Army. We got to probably end the stream pretty soon. That's because I do have to work in the morning. I don't want to go to work with one eye open, one eye closed like this. Oh man, oh man. Shout out to the SHIB Army, man. All right. We're seeing a decent sell-off right now. Oof. 785 was broken. When they panic, we pounce. This might be a decent entry point. My goodness. 785, we're right at the support line. Right at the support line. Let's see if we break it. It looks like we're holding strong on it. But let's see what happens. We're right on the support line, folks. 784. Two PC at 90 dropping the $5 super chat. Thank you so much for your support, man. Really appreciate it. Thank you for the $5 super chat and all the love you guys have been showing tonight. Thank you to the Shib Army. Shout out to all of you, man. Oh, my allergies. They act up literally in the mornings and at nighttime. And I take antihistamines. But still, working on digging bone and Ethereum. How many did you dig? Aldo, I didn't do enough. I don't know how much I have. I have 0.8 liquidity tokens. So I think it's a 1-to-1. How much is that? I think it was like 12, 13 bones. Like $70 worth. I don't have enough in there. I'm going to definitely do more. I'll definitely do more. I don't know. I'll figure it out. I'm definitely going to do more though. Adi, right now the bone chart is not available on CoinMarketCap. I think in the next few days it will be though. So again, Shib Army, one last time, to all the new people that are in the stream, to all the new people that are in the channel, please smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, join the journey. We are here to see what happens with the Shib Army and Shiba Inu. Super excited for what the future has to hold. And also, you guys know that WEBULL today listed Shiba Inu's chart on their brokerage account, on their brokerage, which could be a sign that they're going to list Shiba Inu, which is going to be an insane catalyst in my opinion. One of the biggest brokerages in the entire world following Robinhood is WEBULL. And also, I am an affiliate of theirs ever since January 2021 when I joined YouTube and started making videos. Soon after I became monetized, WEBULL reached out to me and said, "Hey Ahmed, we want to meet with you. Do you want to become an affiliate?" And I said, absolutely, because I was already using the brokerage. Now, what are they doing for you all, the Shib Army? They're offering 2 free stocks to every single one of you all for creating an account with the link in the description or in the chat. It's pinned at the top. Go ahead and click it. Get your free stock for creating an account and then get a second free stock for depositing $5 into your WEBULL brokerage. 150 of you all will get a stock valued up to $2,000. At the very minimum, you're guaranteed $11, $3 plus 8 at the very minimum, but at the very top, the highest of you will get 2,300. I've already seen it. The Shib Army members who've signed up, some people have been getting Facebook stock. No one has gotten Google stock yet, which I'm pretty bummed out about. But people got Facebook stock, which is $340. They sold it. Someone is holding right now. It's phenomenal. The fact that they're offering this for free. So make sure you guys click the link in the chat at the top or click the link in the description below. Both will lead you to WEBULL to download, to create your account. And from there, of course, you can also get your free stocks and do what you want with them. You could sell them. You could do whatever you want. It's up to you. Fernando Polit says, "Good evening, Pop and the Shib Army. Just wanted to say thank you always for all your help and support and your videos every day, no matter what. To the moon we go." Fernando, my pleasure, my brother. Really, you guys give me the excitement and the energy and the conviction just as much as I give it to you. So really, I can't say thank you enough. Appreciate you, Fernando, from the bottom of my heart. For all the Shib Army, thank you so much. Jared says, Crypto.com charges 5 million Shiba to transfer to Coinbase. Anywhere else I can get Shiba. Real recognize real. That's why we're riding with you. Jared, thank you so much, my man. Anywhere else that I can get Shiba. Jared, you can get Shiba Inu directly on the swap now, my friend. Go on ShibaToken.com. Go on Shiba Swap. And then go ahead and just pair whichever wallet you have. Coinbase Pro or MetaMask. Put some Ethereum in there. Or USDT or USDC, USD coin. So every dollar for a dollar. Go ahead and select whichever token you have in your wallet. So if that's USDC, USDT, or Ethereum, DAI, any of these stable tokens, select whichever one you have. Say it's USDC. Swap it to Shib, Bone, Leash, anything you want to. You just do it right here, right there. And that's that. And then you put the amount that you want to buy. Hit enter amount, approve, and you're good to go, my friend. That's all, Jared. It's that easy. Forget the fees that you got to pay over at Crypto.com. You got the swap right here available to you. Grumption says with the $5 super chat, and again, of course, thank you, Jared, for your $5 super. He says, when I say Shiba, you say swap. Shiba, swap, Shiba, swap. Let's go, Grumption. Let's go. I sent out that tweet a few days ago, and your guys' responses were absolutely phenomenal. So big shout out to Grumption, man. The swap has arrived. We are here. We're seeing literally our portfolios grow almost at one full bone, literally in the matter of not too long, the matter of minutes. Or actually, it's almost been an hour, but still, I'm looking to put in more. I'm going to definitely, not looking to, I am going to. I'm going to buy more bone and Ethereum and go ahead and put it directly into, I'm going to create a pair. So we're going to definitely do that. Let's see, we need to put bone. So you can't do that. How much do I have right now? It's available anyway. 0.0014. Yeah, no. So I need more Ethereum. I'm going to buy some Ether and go ahead and do some of that. So big shout out and salute to the Shib Army. Prissy Little Missy says, OMG, you're still live. It's been 3 hours and 15 minutes. It's time to go to bed. Prissy, thank you for making me realize that I've been on for way too long. But that's what the Shib Army does to me. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Much love to each and every one of you. Really, the crypto market again, we're trying to see some of the green come about. The market is just, it's struggling to keep going. But man, when the bulls come out, guys, I am so excited to see what we have. Fuel for Fear says, sorry if I missed it, but have you farmed yet? I have. I am farming my token. So I created a liquidity pair, and I'm currently woofing Bone and Ethereum. So just started. I did it for the first time today on the stream. So we're just getting started, man. Just getting started. Fuel to fear for fear. And again, thank you so much for all your support. And again, 2PC1890. Try not to eat meat for a week. That will help you with your allergies. I'll definitely give that a go. I eat a lot of chicken. Sorry to all the vegans and vegetarians. I tried to go vegan for a while. Didn't do so hot. I didn't stay consistent with it. But regardless, I'll give that a try. Thank you so much to PC1890 for all the love and the super chats. You guys have been amazing. Again, to Little Falker and BitGo Drive, Brian Edwards. The names go on. Really, I know a lot of you guys have been supporting me throughout this journey. It's been nothing but fun. Thank you so much for tuning in tonight. We've been on for 3 hours. Tomorrow I got to go to work. So let's go ahead and sign out here. Make sure you guys give it a like, subscribe to the channel, get your free stocks with WEBULL. And thank you so much for tuning in, everybody. Really, much love to the Shib Army. I appreciate every single one of you all. So until tomorrow morning, we'll be uploading a new video. And then hopefully, if tomorrow, depending on how it goes with the whole studio situation, maybe I'll be recording from a new area. But regardless, we'll be back on, maybe for another live stream. And until next time, everybody, you know what to do, man. Keep investing. Peace and love. Peace and love.